me makwaba edeba Adom TV dwumede ato ne din enkranhye ensem emreso me am de dwumede ho chia me edi am jeso Apostle Dr. Nita Kotego enso from Nita Kotego a wonfom ye onyame nka ho na onka ye nyina ho na ye ne dwumede ekosi mra ye bewie na no me ne wo hye dwumede bi asese abrabo a ye boe no ya na afro ne sane wo mu ya na enfomso ani nkuguo wo mu ya na ne pe ne ye nya empo nioma bebrebe di ye nya empo woni a ye no ekoba no bepe ahwase na eya na eba na se ye tehwe edi nkuguo anan enfomso bi ba yakwamu anan empo ye nsasi fomo a ya na ye hwe wo bi ana ye hwe ba bia ye gina no ya bono sobo. For many of us, whenever things don't go right, our first reaction is to blame others or to blame our circumstances. The last person you will look at may be you. But the truth is that ababa wubuino ankoya ejina oso. Baba yebuye ekoya ejina oso. Baba yebuye senkuguo ni ahwiase ni mgwasie ebeba eyewa. Se wuji tumu sei dia na kyerɛ sɛ wonim sɛ ɛsɛ woyɛ de ɛsɛ fata na nkuguo ni ahwase ma na nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ a yɛtaa yɛyɔ na ɛma edi yenya na esi yɛ nkɔsoɔ kwan ebi na ɛnɛ da mi no ba bɛkɛn baako ɛyɛ overspending money and abusing our times for unnecessary things bebree ɛne yɛwɔ wiase a sika a yɛkura no sua nanso ya na yesuro se de hye bibi mu a na akoye empo eka enti ene medi metonioma uko obi wardrobe mu antare bebre da bia so hye ba ko ne mienu pe na otwe mu a uko bi shoe rag mu a empabo bebre so ya na ohye ba ko pe afimu ya totonioma se bia so ni mfaso uko ne dem a wesia system wesia minima brand bia ne dem nko TV miensa ne enan aden na wani edu no watoto we nyina ase medi hia me na baba wo bi nso a wono okura iPhone 12 okura 10 okura one phone ese phone na koba nyina so ye phone akabisa ono pe nanim enso nipa we wo se medi hia ye sesi katonioma sebe esu manfa so man daache na ye mfa sika nhye adwumam sansa fo se sika na ekura wo no esua me de koye meboka mate ahwe ade koto ade kro no ehwu hia no ede na wo ye. When your closet gets full with clothes you don't need at all. Ebiana o wardrobe, na mo fa na wardrobe no. Ayema shirt bear 20, ties bear 10. Ka wo yi bi kochu obi akode na sin hira be ma na ne ehia wo a esefata wo no na wa hye. Abrante bi ka chem se he mi sis wo na mata de ba kopɛ. Ene manyini dum pempenso betima to ma me ntodo do ne ehu sa matobi. Ampa wo to do na ye de. Wodan kakra adesa woda babeketu abi kayeye na wosi dan kakra bi na asi bi ma woni eda montene se wonya babe 14 a kenso ni mfaso eno anse watu gate mu wodan kakra wosimehiem de na de baaye enipa ahonyade eyefe esi wodo enipa ahonyade asu ani esi ni papayo enipa ahonyade ene yepe esi se betu ehun asiwa ye bibia ma obi eno ene ye ne ene ye bre abusua a wo hwe me dede ahonyade de ye na ye nia wonsa besoso na enye mane mmroso mento mane mmroso asa uko odwom koto neoma a wo ba ya aduane no wa ya aduane awie wa hu se aduane doso ma abusua mudi a se se ka wo kari na wo ma enye bi na okronya bi na wasa ne bebre ama obi afi edi wie no akase sebe sa abawa bi wo fie on na be di ase te sa e be hwe agu anka dia wo hwe agu no yen hunu se obu ha fra no pa be sa nwuma woni di na nso ka wo pede ma no a ke be ehira amayen ya na ye se ye sika e na be bo ha mfa so mra yen ye fa no compulsive buying asa enhye minimo wura bi so a sa radio nketo ya ba e bluetooth yi o be se edu oshia tenti awoto oshia teti awoto oshia de mu odu oto na ya na wo de koye de ne fe akoye se akwanya bi na aba ma wo ɛna tototo ayɛ sɛbe ɛnhyɛ de ma wo wototɔ ne ma no bebrebe a ɛda ne bosom ɛma wo ebiom wo mmerɛ a wode yɛ adwuma bebree na hyɛ wo mmerɛ so ɛwɔ hɔ ma obiara osikani ne ohiani ne ɔyɛ millionaire ɛne deɛ ɔsra adeɛ die no wo nyinaa enya dɔnhwere 24 ne nyina soɔ ɛne nea wɔde wo mmerɛ yɛ deɛ wode wo mmerɛ bɛyɛ no ɛne wo nnɛ ne wɔkyena what you use your time for will determine what you become. Some of us just abuse time. TV, not 24 hours. Social media, not 6 hours. There's a debia than or ye be a enfamfas or embreno. Was so see we here, new obre. We hear new obre, engine aswa, anyone cassa. And Niger, and then coswa, engine aswa, anyone cassa. Until the old room rebellion, a betcher de abenya. And then the old sick a beshimono, betcher and faswa abenya. Melissa and a payment to Quankakra. Mo mami ni kan ɛna mpanimfo a wɔboaeɛ ma dwumade ɛba mo nkyɛn ɛwɔ Adom TV ase. Me kanama kan sɛn Randolph, Sandra, Priscilla ɛna mpo agya wɔ bɛkampadu ɛna wɔne ekura mfidie mu camera, sound ɛna mpo MC afo ɛna lighting fo onyame nhyira mu nyara. Titiri wo a onyame rehwɛ mo deɛ woni wo nyame ntra. Enya fidie ne mfiri ha na badwamadumadiɛ no ɛkɔso anesa makrawo.
Mama ya mamu nyina chen ya mwakwa Badom TV no sia kase so anopa nsem asie na braso sauti bi esa Adom kase ko Facebook/Adom TV a kase no wo Go TV channel 176 DSTV channel 280 samno ne to dwa mu bi ya wo betini ye be call zizira RCKG na akosi junior high school no se bia nkrati suade pa na ebo anwoma suade a wo mto mutini ye de sansam ni kire mu no ebebramo University of Ghana students bi a womo tietua edan court enhyehyɛ a wode to ho senka school no bedi so no bepem sabe won fanya adwuma sansem no ne nsem bi na no pay me de bro Adom TV bedwam kase medin afia amankwa tamaklo afia ne DMT said nsem no enkyeremu ankasa etie ye kansa bia nkwadate edi akotene pa won nwumasua mu dia na ne yemofra ye wo zizira RC KG dikosi junior high school no womuni safa ahudie ne befisa bia womuti suade no enya kono nyefe womuni classroom ti ba bia ne ye de womasi bi nkora KG fo nkora de mangudua bia se no womutie Adom TV kase akoho etwaso
nhwe akiri ha ya dan PTA4 na ehye na dan no omuye no na esenka omupagam basikasem nti no ema omo eboso sa nti se awiabo a ebo 12 o'clock ekwa na adekire no ayeden because na heat abadan num na se ehwe keji dan so a PTA4 na asan ahyase eye ho adwuma nanso sikasem a ato ayi kakra nti no ama akakwam kakra nti ama KG4 no basku a ensuo mu na pɛ na se yesa ye pom because dan no aye death trap kakra ko hia pillars ewom na nchensen so ewo so no enye papa asenka yi ni nyina na eboso foforo yetu anamon assembly MC abam abeboa kakra but enya enwie peye papa
eno achi achachwefo mo sukuu no mu eka de piece se esanse konwa ho akwaatwe wo sukuu no mu nti no ahofo na de wo musika to plastic chairs e de ma wo mmofra se de be ya obenya baabi atena de asua de nanso so no enam konwa ya ato de ama wo nti no empedodo na no ya na wo mu eda ewom
ye structure ide wo sha enye kra se awia bo na se wo hye mu kira de a asa wo hye phone no mu nti mpempi no je se ye pie kwa abonten na yakwa ye discussion na sa wontumi ntro board ne so nkwala no kra no omba ye de sa gua so efisa dan mu ehye pa nti e ma ye nya how ewom pempi kra wo kira de akra bi se ne awo hye wo de ne kese a wontumi ntena se sa akra nso se hye wo de ne kese a wontumi ntena se nti je ye pie kwa abonten na yakwa ye discussion da anpa ba ya san ba be tro board ne so nti e ma ye bre pa
University of Ghana suafo bi na eye yekre ya womode etia wompanifo fi se court ahye se hye bia school management no de eto ho accommodation no ne ade no wom ntwensensan no fibra court no ehye ye no wom fanya adwuma nti wom twempanifo na dwene edisi so Adom TV etwaso Hey, Sasa and Neno, Yentumi, Auntie, and Cassia Hudumo, so Yede Beba. Can I Chief Justice, my main Sophia Kufon, so say Gabios Ochre. Da kone some no okay Canadian, Yano Crampon Wooty, and yet the war council in Bibun, and yet the war Yanu Sunti, and the was what yet day a Yanisicano, Obeja Trefi, Adom TV, et was so.
Kane Chief Justice Sophia Akofo asanso so de nani atra so ye hwe man sikasem eso ene adehyen mu bi abochenku ewo honom na nensem bia wodi tu dwa ene se onso dante ase di entia aso ye hwe man sikasem so empese pensioners for no betwa wo modin dia free debt exchange program no emo enya no nko a osaka de kan ho se ban domestic debt exchange program no hye ye no ho nko ade a onfa ho ne de owura gabia sawe ochoda ko ebe kan de afa ne ho na nya de wo kan so ena wo tie esan se de wo kan nyina no enya de se de bibia be kan abrabo ho
Gabi Ochredako can call me paranoid. I don't care. We're talking about people, we're talking about human beings, we're talking about people who have served this country and have served well and served hard. Not easy service when you're not a member of government and you're calling yourself a member of government. I don't have time for things like that. People like that are not important to me or to my life. He's a disturber.
Tigo touching lives and so akwaya doye ede ama yenuanu ma womo ewo sickle cell yare no ebie ni nyina ye odobre anase ododa enura ye da na di no Adom kase etwoso.
Esan se ne ye Valentine no bia e kire don ntino Tigo de won ho ahyem no mo de apomodin kade ahodo e na akwa sickle cell unit ye wo Kolebu teaching hospital na Adom kase ne head of brands and communication Nancy aso esi edu amrado edin komo no o kire mu se ade ba kwa de omadwumaku no akoma so ene se Ghana de hye apomodin betumi agina brane ye nti eno modi se adwumadi
the Osha Tigwa if last year no ya started about sickle cell ho dero yebo ho dero bebre ewo TV so ye videos ye recordings ye play or radio so sana Ghana for ebe hu sickle cell disease no sene etie no me hu sene omo bebo omo ho ban enti ene Valentine's Day Tigo ya adwen say ye beba ha ye Kolebu sickle cell unit no na ya ba be ye donation na ya ma omo equipment bia ebeboa ewo omudwumadi a omudi wa hanom equipment na ye de ba ye no ebi ti say vein finder enti ye de oxygen cylinders ye mobile centrifuges cardiac monitor mobile ECG machines oxygen flow meter and a sample mixers enti pulse oximeters ni adi nyina wom ya ma equipment be break.
Mampani abedi achire ne education minister na face ahia kontomra mrashebedwani akwa sehi traditional council no cement sum 400 so omonye no ahifie no onfensiesie
na nsan na nana katachi bankoma se opeso siesie fia nti wo hyase se wo ye anu nti ye vice president Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia o nyanantiye anu nti o se Sadia went to Hawka. Ene de was someone, sir, memfa cement bag. Ye makuma 200. And for me, Buana, non for Nijumano. Now, all banners so, and a doctor Yawaduchum. I also a minister for education. On also say Sadia, on also ordinate dear Becca into the 100 bus, Eka home, MLA, and so Mediaba. Now, Yankasa MP, Alex Sette, a contemporary MP. Ono so oso wonhwe ema adwuma yeye esen ka no anka sample oso sofimu no konsuo na so wantwe ama na wo tena ho enye enti ono so de 100 bus aka ho
na ya wajiman bedu abusuapanyin ewo sehwe oso traditional council wogina okatachie kwasi bumangama wotoso mienu anamu ene oje cementi efri dwemtenani ne honomo ne ho nanumu ene odi tudwa se ebra wode cement bags ya bedom wonom eyebra ese ya wode asida PC ema empanyinfui
yewura akatachie otiane na chikaka ti we okanyina se ajani panyinfo age no ma na ye de bre cement na ye de bre ye de no cement no di dwuma pa ewo ifia ti de kan se vice president ye danase
Western Regional Representative Council of State ho One once your Hinema Princess Town, Nana Akwasi Abuabo, and they a hunter traditional council no Ajina to Musa one fetchery, say acting president at that council Nanoa, Adom TV, Etwaso.
Published there. A hunter traditional council. So, Madame Chima, actually, confusion is you taking it to Bobon. Yet, one end. Now, more to do so being well, I can't the master are on your no because all decision you take it will cancel. Nipa pro ana ebien ebia woni yen nyadwen but dudu na la na yadwen kokko na yi ye mami so all the customer offer traditional council no ha no che the na na mami no so washe na okita na gazette enti ye tuna ha enyibria ye pede ye ma media ni hia na Ghana fu hia what there. And so soon a decision may make no or Yana Casa, and who none more what's na ye here. Ye here and Yadrin Coco. Traditional council or hunter traditional council, na Yadrin Coco near ye mameno. It is a chronicle confusion is here. Now, on Yano Kama. Na demonstration no sono. Nana mo ye the trouble. On the Yakan Yama, the Moncofono. In this song, one by Chensan, one patcho, one now winning the way make comments about a hunter traditional council, about Nana Kozia Brabo, the fourth chief, divisional chief of a Princess Town.
My uncle Asin Ekropon, yeah, was Mecropon. Youth Association no and woma ye nyame so ade na ya make say kwasafudwuma woma sa pede mu den wo hono mu a wode akosiesie Presbyterian Basic School ya benfie be kakranie se painting party bi enko so wo hoda na fensiesie enfie bebre say painting school ni si wo sa na tie wo ho ntie ne woma keka wo ho abom akosiesie ho a aye akono Adom TV kase ekọ ho e de nsem ne to aso
Asia Kropon Presbyterian Basic School no school ankwada na bo homodin ye pa na so esan se dan no tete dan na wosi ya chene nsisi bia nko so ho ntino amma nkwada ndodo na enta me school sanso ene woni ewum no wo kire se woni enka school mo hono mo eno ena aka Akropon Youth Association for akoma sese woni akoto paint ne ye ho premprade ahodo akọ paint dan no ho nyina ede nkunwa ene niam ahodo bi ebu omesua akoma kire for say one fan page umesua e school mo hono headmaster of the school na no woni Adom kase abon komo kire wa hawa wo e school mo ho eni nsisi abai mo a e de beboa wo mu
omu siesie school dan de na enye omu school ba ne omu ahosiesie no na enye papa but omu ye we no omu fia so omu paint school dan e hu se nkwala no omu ye neat afi so omu school ba no omu be school ntem nti e da omu ase passe omu jin ye ho na omu siesie school na omu painti school dan na school dan na kama sa
penyipa wada Akropon Youth Association no e kire de ehye wonkuranti a e ma wo tu sa na amon no
to wo hwe ye dwumade ye dia ye mpuntu ene se ebesesa kro no enti se ne yetimi ahu dan dada 30 years ne ye painti ye na nam Youth Association so ne yetimi a painti a eni jesem efise ye botan kese baako ena yetimi abamu ena ye nuanom nketuwa ikane na omo basku anam se school dan no ho aye fe ni ade no na enye omo akono betene ye bae teachers na ma yati asese omo ana omo ntai manyina na omo ba ti ebekoso ne asiesie Akropon schools ama omo so mani agedusua ho.
Director of Communication, War Ghana Tourism Authority, Jonas Aruna Nelson, was a Ghana for Brasson, se bibia ye koko, ye Ghana koko ne die. I was here dear Juma, set chocolate, said dear bibia, let me aboa my economy no so, ejane na so.
Ghana Tourism Authority, NFA Afrique, Jumeku a womo eye chocolate. eka wono ebom ekọ Jowulu Special School ene mofre wo ho no ekodi Valentine na womo ekọ ye no womo echiche chocolate ahodo ede ma mofre esukufo empenifo wodwumedie na sene Director of Communication ewo Ghana Tourism Authority Jones Haruna Nelson ede futu ema Ghana for se womo enhwe se womo bedi Ghana koko wo kire mu se so manfo edi Ghana koko a ebeboa ama Ghana sikasem apagya ebesan so aboa wo manfo apomuden
yebetumi ya use chocolate no na ye de akire do send ye be ya yenko fa bibi ti say teddy bed ni ye chiro letters ni flowers enu no ensumbu Ghana cocoa no sumbu na omo friend say premium cocoa no Ghana ni bia oben ni bia no obedi chocolate any other cocoa products na afensu promote domestic tourism afensu ema nkabomba ema mpuntumba ye talk chocolate na edi ni bibria sikaba omemu ye cocoa no nsu kwa manonia enu susumbu obi ehu nti ye be free akora ye free Ghana for philanthropies omo ye adwuma cocoa processing CPC for ni nyina any other cocoa processing companies no mo nyina omo mfanto omo bota aso say at least every week and I say na watchi anabusum bia na watchi mienu bia no omo fa cocoa based products the chocolate mbre yen color because enu no apomudin wom emma apomudin aso afenso ebe mo adwen no so enyi
Mianyina no so na Adom TV Badwam kasia no pai na ha na bema kwan na yede ni nyina sie medi afia amankwa tamaklo de adu so de bonkrata no ayekrado wa ha online stories no so ayekrado oman hene kwabna santen so ejina ne na so ayede eto so de ama urade mfa nkomra sumdue mu nemom emre no ho nso a utime hwe live wo Facebook/Adom TV oman yemu ache
ya
bibi abokode
mami Adom Anton Boasina, Michelle, c'est ça. Et n'y pas. Il y a ni où.
On a aussi nos espèces.
Et n'y pas.
Agro.
Obedru, nti. Mama vi mu nyina bedru ha. Enche bia omu nyina. C'est ça o hwese ni pedua no e kama. Kama.
Oh yes.
Ama bia be kan.
Yeah.
Mama assistant pedua no. Nti o basa na ase o basa.
No pink top no ho efe.
Ase be me mu na eba no.
We mu adada.
Me mu adada.
Sa. O pink ne ne o space ni yo.
Me mu adada.
Sa.
Die oni pa fa e wo ho.
Eni fa.
Di kasa na o kan mbe so o ye careful o kasa na o kan. Se o ye ni pe mu na se mu ni ho a na efa ewo ho e oni pa fa ho ana
ye ni pa fa ho
ti na me kasa me hwe man ti am kra ene dia doctor say me momo dia na me so me hye chichi a mo hye bi me dia dia duro wo
na wa dia na duro ni
me say na kasa dia on ti ase me maba wodrum maba o hye me kasa kire o say
sa kire me say e de do mo doctor say me hye do mo hye ni bi na me dia ne dia duro
me say
na me dia
ne die
na ho dia na duro ni
ho na obetimi abuse ma me wie me ma se me hye wa hwe ni wani bi me dia ne die e duro wo cameraman se bi minim se duro man as e duro nu ma e duro wo ma fe na wo ka kire me the oya sound person no akoda keto asa no o se bi e duro wo man as e duro once you are there so na po man be gina kra kasa nsema wo me be ka
first na dede obi se ne de me de duro na ho dia na duro ni
me se kasa ya de ehia
so wo hwe odi ni ye
bribia da no wano pai bra wo ka kire me se eye mi ntwa so enya mi nko na ma hye sa de
ni da be na me si twa so da be na me ka se twa so
ata ma mi o hwan o nya wona be ka kire me se fata me me tia mu nyina the new face of our mind in Kwabna Sante after Valentine's Day me say udwane nyame a o hye na se the doctor for krache hwe na de ko de doctor itimi semo wani waso ose very important area
na wa o hye na eto se wo de o hye
na me anim ni me hu na kakraka
ise nsuo bi ansane
debi o ko da bo nsuo ana mo so madani self medication na mo de mama mo no obi ani ya or the insuration or the rob not their friends to share
no so ya de
what me say
ebe
enyoma ekoso
so ne rob no hwegu nani
enyoma ni bia oni meka tie ebi ha ebi so de omoye otinkuto na ode afrani ase se bibi atore ni so je bi yiba ebi so de omani we ko butu nsuom saa de kekos de charge de me
foreign body in the eye no wo so nsagu nsoma na
eti mesremo wani ose waso emfa ni agro titiri wani because no de eko offer sebi ye nuan mo madara na make so painful therefore ni agro efo ni agro na form pe eyi ni padue ne mu hwehwemu kra wo de wanya ade kra no wa wo hwemi when was the last time how je bre call doctor yes ho dentist was say on jibre na on hwe osene na on siesia na on hwe esi ntwe wo ho okay make a crowd side no maza ye ni bra abre esi ye de o sin oni mo se ho fa so kra saka ho Chuchusi anopa ene anyumre na ye ka no ka se ka ne sa keke mema ni titiriu dwana anopa dwara anyumre mema dodo na nwara anyumre ne boxer shorts ne singlet ne unfifre sa e ma breo no ada na ho se tabam no akoda
e boxer anko wonya black
o senso so twitwia o se untwitwi de bia mo pese me baba ke kasansem na fiama nko anyame e no me ka kire mo se chocolate no de ma me ho nsusu aso no menya na mo di akinye
ale de na
eni pe breo no widie mo be se odwan ni hu nwi na dɔɔso na ni fifire pa eti ni pedua
de na aba
ɔte compound house ebusam se de na aba light bill aba ye chiche fi ra suntua
ere no credit ompe
light bill aba na the light bill na aba eti compound house fi ra suntua etu de nya we
ara me se ma be chocolate na
eye kasa bebu na me so de ma no light bill aba ye ti compound house fi ra suntua oni wan ko kasa it is say no de oya mi I just said me no me ko ka kire kere mu se eh na zongo me fa na akọ me ni anu yibia ye nyina ye wo set se ye be kasa kama ade achi nsu ato ediwe ye kai se nsu tobre na nkasa na e be yi ni ho nkasa yi edu ko so ntimi nchechire ade wo bolam emfa nko she gatem embeble mu aban da bi kakrai kra ye skills yi kra no newton honum ne ma akire jolu honum ne ma akire okwamu achimota honum ne ma akire ho ne ma nso eyi ba nyina no eye menne wo sa insio that rubber I don't get it it here the nyini da o situation bia e wo as o man nyini da it here na insio to ye nso no kwabna sante nwa akochichire politics black bear miensa tetem odi atum
data kesiye mu
owie tetem na wasabe gina TV so ka kire se ana ba bia yefi na gata mu nyina sisi so no na contribute to that iti Ghana no de bia me ka na mo ntiase o obia an ambassador for this country enti usu ne oban ne oneye very important Ghana na nkasa no ye nkohwe soro ye kasi Ghana siesie na nkohwe wachi o hwewa ho timisira insurance skills kakra ye no enkan mountain do na nkasa no ehwehwe asifom na afi maka che Ghana Advertisers Association for say billboards na nyumeko ni bi su sisi no enye papa kakra ya from aboy ufri ha cho hono besi akwa achiachia ebi su etutu agufom iti akese ne de se ebuka se ya antoka so a ekum nipa and the unique kese na eba do we take everything for granted in this country yes remu su tobre ne sabisi assembly for no munya adwuma bia ebro so e won bia sa de bia mo mama fo sisi dan we nam de produce permit abebo ho ebe wi achi produce permit yes abronsan be 81 so no foco you know pretending say we are saving the country but we are milking the country that's the problem now timesre ma shechichi de meso so masa ya montiase mesre mo mayani nda ho ne ndo man Ghana obi a do man a there are a lot of things that wonye de bia me ka man for if you are patriotic o do man if you love your country and you ma bebre ho a wonye nkomo bebre ho a wonni ensem bebre ho a onfo anu mponka boni bebre ho a undi ntie o man no obo man nyoma mo da ho fan essence ye nyina ye koso ye nyamfaso free se de Ghana yatete na pansam no ye mpese be sie Ghana contractor mpese obesi Ghana ze bia no ababonti ana ye pe contract cry ye bredudu ana ye 10% na abamu nkofo do mbekuen chief director no so public servant and civil servant so almost so shada anya bibia because time ne mu da ho 4 days kwa na o ma adwuma da obi ankwari obi anka hwe excuse kitin de mama sa ne ye tro man no de twatro ne ye mehwe ne ye matie awfo ne bitimi di tro pa ma onwo ba etimi omoma ne timi nya ayam hihie bi krama sebe omko janan bi at once the be papa di tro say me mama ne di tro say na oba timi ka se wo di tro say dia e no so oba no oba ye expert in a tro die nti oba ye o man na japade a etro nko a me kai me mama say etro pa na nipa di ni say tro no di ni sa ti mesre no kurenie o man chichiriye no. That's where my emphasis is. On my chichiriye no, ejina mene wo so, you are a part of it. Yesubani ye off. Na kame dan me catch Olivia na mo se me. Kame ko koto sa ade yellow na. Omode epepa mpabo me ko program se me mpabo de bia me kan e dey say. Omode oil afọ nsi chom. Me de fa anwa. Me de fa mpabo no na ada say sam.
Neti.
Me say de ma polish mpabo.
Chimfutru.
Infutru na me ko avoid no. Actually say bam. Na de bia me ka ekura udi dwa uyi wani pe. You better for watermelon na aprofa na prono fast na achichira shiro na wajo hotel wajo 20 ubokwa ko du fie no o pe no watermelon no ko du nyina apro
why tomato so pass
onim se ko share crate no de ma no kan tu bi asehim ba isa se won san hwe o fasika na chima me no o apro say tama papai o de sim o se sika ma ono anim se o filling station ba o se sika emu ati say ten no de afra sika no as in sister the amount. Minimum how a person teach Ghana. I don't know how we want to do this Ghana stuff. Minimum me so be it me abuamia. What could do filling station? Who do honum na no attendant na nkasa kura so di mra no so kekeke no. Ono okuta phone. Aha. What to say? Yo as I to say. Aha. Petro na me koto na be wanu obu diesel tra owi a Ghana nyame na enwa mane oh ready bobo nyame na de mane e diache no punishment attendant na nkasa kra ni okwaze okuta phone ba okura wakobu diesel egu phone petro car wonso wakodu wono nso awunim de na esi dumu engine no fa phone to ho no afa na ba chese efrem o man ne kwabra me the busiest person on this earth me che akufu ado ne jo mama the abasi the timekeeper enye nsroma ho obekeka nsema saa me abemabu oso de ugina ba bi wie de na wie lo de nyina afia ebe pie afia na yeko ti mesre nyoma esese edi so ma o man ni wie peyo na edi mu no o pie free airport na immigration o shwere o na wo saa na za be because me nkosa me gina wo saa because bi ti ase wa shwe na kosa sometimes beka if I make as me nkosa bi if ba ku ndem yiwa no we de me nkosa me gina ho as me gina aboa mamodwuma na moye no etimi adi mo wie pe it's very painful kwan ya force ya titi this country enioma kra ya tete so no ene mo no kra no ya tete bebre so ko bi su ho no ma still the born nom da so deji e mo na hwehwe free 850 ne 950 ne 750 ne bi about 630 650 but co shops in being still and then move for crowd mo patcho say enwo na bu dwa so nti atete so say hwemu meto obi so shasia ko fa nwo no di semone ora bo samsia you papa da form ti be sem mo amonim samsia hi bia no ono kwa na ma de bichichi bai say bia me hu na metima kenkan ni yi nti ora bo samsia ibodi bra she bedwani on a ticket of the NDC ma o yakọ na chese ayi unipa me say planting for food next na asi na ewi o akando
ara na asi na
se ono no ni samsi ahinia ba ana ware no nti na se akando asi
ani na se pa
na asi nimpo
ana da fo nchen kura
se sa na tie dia se na asi nimpo ne da fo nti ono ba akando se sa na tie dia
wa se da fo
ya ka kesi a obebonye bi nti samsi ahin father the late Joshua Kwabnawusi do friend papa nti jamia aduma efiada we e obreman esiem mankasim
and that's how I fancy you
ahin
The papa no.
Papa.
Sana making.
Say ma dey.
Wow.
We dey enko jana na some say ahi dey.
O dey na.
Alote Jacob so chia, o say no pay dey. O say no pay dey bomodi afa dey Sibra Cape Coast.
Na so no more appointment one more.
Alote Jacobs. Best na mo mo text message. Nyese minya aniwa to the original aniwa ntimi ken kai tim. Ba na mo dey ba me say we fia bibi aka ne enko.
Bibi a wa ha ye
South Africa ni masa na ba.
Say yes Saturday no mbesi no.
Okay.
And we fast. Na MPP say only United Front and betimi omo retaining akwatia no nti ho asem no. Kira wo don so Adom FM. Wodi fe ye promotion.
Eh adofo bi omo 14 years.
Nti ye kira do e kira wo mo ne akyɛ dia sponsors no esisa gu wo mo so no na efe. Na Mubarak Wakasun so akyɛ a send message about Achu dear no.
Oh.
This is nyame. This is nyame kwabna.
No, who's a doctor in here cuz I say me abamu at once. You say adwuma no mo e abotire adwuma.
Nti se nyame so obeje na mfa ho. Ni days, ni hours awadi wo ho. Obetimi abanti no nti no so adofo yes.
Where do you want
300 roses. Enya better.
To celebrate Valentine. Makuma ko trend.
Na wo de na ye.
Me twi talk omba na ma to fi.
Enya hwe
Eye. Ewe de nyame na mdana se wo bu babem. Eto na mde ko bi ni momoni awo no.
Eye wo ya de.
Na mde ko fia 2. Atoso. Nipa 4 no. Ko fia 2 echemu because ye kire don. Ana me say the economy abafi ho. Economic measures. E juba me fridge mama ka kire. Ma mpoku e tare nsuo no. Wanom na bia ka me ma nto ntwe. There be. Se ko fia no nim na akobɔ 1 na wantime ni. Me no be wu fie ho no. Kania bia no mu piese no in fact obeso kania kra na uso wie pa no dum because me pese kania no be gina so be 5 minutes
susu na ye no ne be
wan hiri mu pampia omo rebi fi omo so wan hiri mu pampia prayer call the prepia me kasa
na re ntimo mu preview
fa nyansa to pra no nyasa tra
no fa hwe ma papa ase mra no ya adoso eno no
brodo untimi ni pempen so bia me nyintu because utwa bia me be expect and so it matters. It's about the George Walker quickly about Ghanaian Times say Ghana to stop filling London carts by airline passengers 31st March. Vice President Nasaka saying DDEP government gets 83 billion, representing 85% participation. The published as education is my priority. President Akufo-Addo Nakasa. So far, Akufo-Addo berates Gabi is unimportant. List hepatitis B treatment under NHIS. Afenyomark in Akasa. Are two forces fit hangs as AG closes case. I do the same. I'm going to say about that. Minority free. More money say assembly sign. Era to forcing. Most more risky. Akufo-Addo commissions Kwabena Model School, and government will honor coupon payments maturity principles. The big one here, new crusading guide. Alan Shermanti making inroads for MPP in Volta. Senior lecturer in Akasa include hepatitis B, Afenyomark, uproar on Legon campus. Police brutalized stranded students, cordon off Commonwealth Hall, University of Ghana management goes mute. La Bianca boss approved as acting president of Ahanta Traditional Council. We news business here now. And the Chronicle say mosquito granted so Fayakufu opens more fire, and La Bianca boss heads Ahanta Traditional Council. Daily Graphic. Repair works on Kulebu roads underway. And LGBTQI plus law must consider culture, interest, and humanity. President Naka said, nation records 0 cholera cases since 2020. Wow.
3 years in.
Wow.
COVID, no. COVID in some chronom near the
I don't cry a jay.
Say a jay. But I say a bay.
A cry any shuban, Adi Banzana. What to be that? Wow, say, Ubi did in Swa. Watch any patch, Bam, Nipa, Bama, who could eat Yaura, Choba, a Diana concentration, but that's in another.
And I say, I say, this summer about Korean Sons and the editor.
No, that's in another way.
Yeah, what's
here almost every panel member who came. That's in the making. That time, I mean, how do you after they watch a buyer? Come on, please.
Infected.
Who go on, sir? That's it.
Yami be when you said,
no man won't
say, if you go.
Oh, what time I'm
to be a washing and wash on sat for summoner.
ana catch a presidential correspondence eh na do na fu ba papa gosi
so osua
me
ti enye no so
osua me wanu de sembe ba ye bisia
which they have
Kwaba kesi be ba Adom TV so Adom TV so be dwonjum di so dia o kan si on sempai sa kana no pen so ja medin di Enoch kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back pe the only nomenclature professors degree in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunya na me kono quantum coding small sa kana no pen so e wo Ghana gudi ejao she no so am sanyuma koni miensa omna bom ska dwetwe me na no pedin common eba 1xbet. I've always told you that betting is better than sakawa. Bet the intestinal which is trying before din before trying to come be odin kuma san manum. Catch the busuafo na for yere ma ofase for na na mukunumu and on plan for ina say nya ba boys this can 1xbet. Emo bet with money that you can afford to lose. Sika ira anyo ya no. Eno an di twa bet. Ope bet dia eno an 1xbet. Unimre fun otwa en fa ho engine san se bet diwa. Oni betia prusu e be call. Adwene betia bom between betia san hye intimisel e na odi adwene kakra etia san to bet no na 1xbet one dance e na media bay the first semester doing infections do gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever na so dey po na achewa on set me kan jefas do bia e boa ragrawa wa hawa e na obra bo ho na etoto ne mayi e de ma ma otimi di ntini che ko herbal shops ne pharmaceutical shops ne mu sabeti ya kan jefas na boa e ma ne ma etia tutu ye de ma afi so sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel ye kan yaudi fu pampas be pimo na ase etu ase yi firi on eboa e ma ne ma etia tutu ye de ma ashama me market nya na teman so kwa sabeti ya kami se utu akoto ana se oto de ya ho no obetia from open 4020 821 9129 na on said more gel and roll on yen twetwen komo yen hwemwa ema ne ma 822 ye enfama quickly a journey of 1000 kilometers begins with very first step yen call UEFA Champions League no matches awdo etimi eto fam AC Milan eche Tottenham Hotspur etwa kabako omo entimi antena fe PSG won so etrans ma Bayern Munich for betwa makaba intine se ne pie mu e ho no na me adoma na UEFA Champions League matches na esa ato aso bi uninterrupted asempa 94.7 FM live commentary between Sabrent ebono so a na we share radio so tempa so na fe commentary no onso why particular of it channel so mam say Borussia Dortmund women Chelsea ne be shisia kanafe Club Brugge beton se da fe Benfica na omso da against the Etian Pem so EPL e wo game ba kwa no so betian sato fe ne Arsenal ene Man City ene dia against ne ebetian boss na fe ko Spanish La Liga ne ma ene Real Madrid ene Elche enso ene be boss de den pa e ho nti we mu ne matches awodo a ebetian sato fe na jude sum nti ya na wadwene na afi Etian Sabwani akoma eti live commentary ne san ne ma besia ko e wo san hihim afi entintom e wo Christian Atwitwa Sam enso nkomo ho na amafo beka na anu ada ne koba asat wenkyerem eye asase wo so kese papi mu e wo tekifo ehye so na yehwehwe nipa Ghana ni abranti e fense Christian Atwitwa Sam woti akan e de ma hataya sport bubuko no na enyade a yehunu na obi be yi asotire se abranti no omanya ehunu na so se nkuntomponi na braba na yehwe akire ne se Christian Atwitwa still enyade a yetime se hunu ne se ohwa dan ene notie ne nyama abu nkofo so still oguso ehase eno ampemfo san akonhwehwemu eye se omo ehwehwe nim se kwa bia so no na bia Christian Atwitwa Sam onsusuo se ase ne fie no anase ne dan wo no omo ede omo ni 18 sanchire omo tuyetuye a omo hu se odumfo bi so hye ba bia osu te so tiem se yemagino omo kohwe ya still na ye Christian Atwitwa Sam me no kasa de bisi sabere de mpemfo che se ne mpabo bi ene ne nema bi ne nkawa bi ne dade de omo ne nam sa hye so no mo satimi akaba Christian Atwitwa Sam akasa de bisi sabere womo sa enyankane
Enefuan kroni ina earthquake nisi wo take ya enam so na Ghana ne di share Christian Atwu eda na wotimu no ebugu ya ene onam sunti embenifo adomo sukwa yenhu no ene ni agent owura ne dinade na na asechire e de abetu dwa se sabre oni Atwu abusuafo akopie take mamu a bia ya na branch ne tie no omako hunu mpabo amienu wo ho na emom omuhu abrantie ya omo srese boboku na Atwu e wo take no omo mpanifo betene omani ade ahwe saa asem ya asi na adumfo bi nso aye omo moa na omado asase na se suko na omo de share Christian Atwu omo hu no nti mpanifo tie de omo kana omo brantempa so na omo de hye no wo nyine nkwa
nti Christian Achu Twasam besi sabere nya de ampanfo ni ahye ne so omsene pabo bi na se da na fo ana omo tase a omo didi adanse se ebese na omo susu se sabia ho no ebia na Christian Achu Twasam hye wonti no cameras ne nkrama hodo e de bae ne mpanfo hodo a omo bɔ ma san hwemo etinsa do asuko no omo guso ehwe se omo sabetia ka Christian Achu Twasam na iri ebuni na ya hwe se ne ma besi akɔ no we air hosema Ghana fo ento aso mfa mpabo mu edene entimi entachiri if you offer ni chire mu former Black Stars goalkeeper Din any Abdul Fattah Dada who's a kind of Ashanti Go Football Club kone na mu a South Africa nation so ko Nigeria na sentem de nitwen sanche Great Olympics for catch abranti and kamia ese odeni gloves etimi assassin sen ho anesa na so eni otese Chris Houghton ana na mpemfo aton se da friend se o meboa e ma the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana enso twen Asante Achimenken no abranti ede eye entontom ene ayia what the ama Chris Houghton no enya asem ketwa
when they went to the World Cup, even during the qualifiers. Now the national team, the Blasters, we have the same technical team. It's only Otado is out. So I think they are going to continue with their philosophy. We saw where they play in the World Cup. For a very long time, you don't see the Blaster playing a game, starting build up from the back. But in this World Cup, they did it. When coach went there, when Otado was, I know they will do it because they're all from this organization. So trust me, with the intelligent players that the national team have now, young guys who are playing, running, will do well. We'll play like when we used to play football before, how people know Ghana to play. We are going back to it. And then, inshallah, you know, to win a game, you have to get a formula. Some of the formulas are how to pass, how to press, how to defend, a lot. So you have the formula, you win is possible. Sometimes you may have the players, but you can't win trophy. Why? Because they don't use the formula that can give you the win. You understand? So I think the FA have done well by giving the job to Chris. He was here before. Did they invite him to come here? He was happy to come and see how the structure here is. So I think he's a nice man. I don't know him, but I've watched him from afar, what he did in the English Premier League and other teams. So I think we should just support him, and then all of us will achieve, and then we'll get to what you.
Nti Abdul Fattah Dada, former goalie, Edema the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana, shotstopper, and our tenant cancelled in Como 8 Jano. Now, you didn't need to search Mubia on the appointment of Chris Houghton and Ura Fred Papo, or a former JFA vice president, and I think so former Black Stars management committee, Tibrekese, and no Pama Papai, or Ejuma, or Denmark embassy, Norway embassy, Nano, in terms of consultation, the Oyadi Pa. And no Pahonswa, Old Waniche, Kwame Kuma University of Science and Technology, Papa is planning, Honum, and never didn't come Kraba, at the newly appointed coach, Chris Houghton, and Canon, and campaign for the Basse, or Mabua, and my technical support.
And football, the results will come, but you must be doing good things consistently over a period of time. The results will come. If you are not patient, say you show 1, 2, 3, now you sack your coach. Then every day you have to go and look for a coach. Then the new coach comes in, he has to start working, blah 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 blah. Get used to the players. When he's getting used to the players, now as sacking and things like that. You see, it's like you are taking one step. So it's like you can only move forward in very 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 slow progressions.
You're starting a man a bit in the next 4 years. You
personally, no. I think, say, that's why I'm happy, say, the FA has selected Chris Houghton and then maintained George Boatini, Masa Didi Dramani. And I'm sure, say, most of the cast staff will be maintained. I think that is good. Then at least you don't have the challenge or say, problem of the new coach or the new coaching staff getting to know the players and the players getting to know them. At least you clear that hurdle. And one a bit of an advantage going forward. And I think that step is also a very good step. There are a few other things which I believe we have to sit as, and the FA has to sit down and go deeply into to reflect. I don't know whether I'm why at the executive committee level, but I think say we should spend quite a lot of time thinking through what happened, what were the good lessons we should pick, what were the bad lessons we should learn from, and things like that. I don't know whether it's being done also, but I think it's something that needs to be done.
Your personal projections are Chris Houghton between the Akko, Bosch so.
I know the Nyankopon pen of it match. That one there, but then if you're looking at the personality, the personal profile, I'm not the one here to come and do marketing for Chris Hilton. I only met him a few times. Nice gentleman, perfect gentleman. But I believe he's got quite some good experience. But for me, the most important thing or asset it comes into the team with is the fact that he's been around the team for about 1 year. And that is a very, very important thing. If you are talking.
And you are former GFA Vice President, Nathan Ekase, Odene Komoso Eja, for Chris Hilton, the newly appointed coach for the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana, and Odene Komono Ejano. And you will see a Madawa session. So, say one expert. I've always told you that betting there is better than Sakawa. In terms of which is who trained before, who didn't before, trained to come be a didn't come as Manum. So, catch up with your phone number 4 year old mouth as a phone on an mina. So, be a fan when you and neighbor say, chairman, when you're more financial freedom, independent. As a music assemble, one expert and a boy. Sedimo gel and roll on. Your ultimate pain relieving gel. You can't give for a pump as well. Pimonasia, a dream to assess Kama, call air temania shaman or sabitia cabina face with fast mixture. A doing infections, a do, gonorrhea, syphilis, candidiasis, white feet and asudipua, white crady, choa, gas nibuha, or ronnie puto ha, a bomb buddha and cell, but more than the sound sabitia can't fast a doing, a bit in adjunqua. Now, one more 20 inch. Women sponsors are one more miscalculate men and open so. To us, then she shall do in Sakai, our Ghana good so 8 message out. Men so sweet, Sister Sandy be a guy, and in terms of entertainment, Ghana idea will be any hobbit, Sister Sandy be a guy. Very authentic to her in the Mexico and come on, Debano. Yakan Suka crabbing Yankan Sukrano, and or the able to catch up with for maternity Nechi. Umbiamuta Fama Mufira for TB, nothing common 8 Santoso. Sister Reta Yaboa, or your nest neighbor, Wokofodia, Reta Yaboa, fantastic morning, and come on, 7 Sonia Bakuma, or BTV now. Moshe Mufira, and so in your within the profit, you will as a good catch back open and of course, evidence based sports orientation. Rather than any man you can see if we be in the Sunni and found Kuba be in the so the act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.
Good morning from Fanofa Street, Kokomlemle, Adom TV Sunni, Bejema Hosepe Jume so. Enra vows the Nekosi saying, Ekosi, son of a Bishop. We are doing 6.3 now. On sister Ajwa, and we are no more accounts about Donny Adeno. And Australia Casa, my sister Penny and Baba Shami. Ofi has say her style, her steez, her beauty, her stage presence, everything. Yeah, they quite a week experience with Diana Hamilton. Machamu dia, meeting the Sandra or Heme Ametiwa. Now, sing a mere domain entertainment for Chimwa.
When you start sending, where do you guy? Sister Sandy be a guy.
Stadina Kwaba.
Sister Sandy.
That's Ramete. That's Ramete. Mini I know it's a guy level in the age. Just say, so my wife, I don't know. And you smell so good. Oh, thank you. I wish you saw Mom TV in the meeting. I smell it. You smell perfectly. I know. Yeah, come here. Smell it good, pa. Experience, you go straight experience. About 19th year. Kwesiada we ya akwa bacho ye we hefa. Perez Dome. This is okay. Bands my Pentecost on. Okay. You to check Accra Hong Kong. This is we can wa year we can wa 9th edition. It's which my next year 10th anniversary. Hey, we want my sister Diana. Show no why I know when I'm in a man quick I still make up from what's we here promo. I'm saying yes, so we here. Also we here promo nice that I do the promo here. But we are dear. Call interviews and I'm thinking about you. I'm worried to say still no energy now with the call interviews. Would you still get energy for the show Sunday? Because most of all quite matching in our sorry by interview. Send an hour Bishop on. I know. Energy no.
It's me idea you know Christo share
no. Can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Okay. You be one pie so.
One kind pie.
Yeah, you go so papa. Na patron share anything to say.
Nyame adom. Send ye na da na afibia ye stress o man is kakra ya ma tickets.
Okay.
No aba. No supporting.
Okay.
And say do do na nim say Diana Hamilton Foundation.
Yeah.
It's whatever comes out of this now.
Okay.
Yeah, the Cocoa Foundation.
It's nene busia for your best share say you say ye jijiska na e bibi ho. Na me bisa na about the backing vocalist for no BV for no. Apparently no monta de shemi bibi e kako program ni because her stage na lights na ade na area side call Diana Hamilton Foundation dia ye best share say mon support dwumadi no na jenko yenim aside tickets and sense tickets and koyede
nyame adom ekoyi they release if maybe premium tickets for just a few people I know they are no asa
but aside a week for my main headline sponsor no when ya kofofo for my so
nyame enterprise live for
okay so ambassador
okay property electronics for so here and Adom City Estates for and so Airboa, Beulah Brokers.
Okay.
Tinkrofo kakra so wanchan.
It on my beje stand kakra. Na so ba hwa she be betimi afa honom no. Oh, that's nice. Adom praise no. That's very nice.
Oh, inti Adom City say no oton adan. Inti no oba hwa affordable housing.
Okay.
And property electronics for also ton freezers, air conditioners near there. And enterprise we need so much insurance for. I wait for the products back.
Yes.
I wait for a year mocktail stands.
Oh.
Now mo share that year before. DH kwanti ne mo baby a o na se o pe my meditations are more combination.
Hey. Interesting. Wow. Anyway, be fa bonya ho arenkoko because you better ticket about show ni asa be no. Kuma Accra 19th. Mama direction kakra.
Pacho ewo Perez Dome.
Oh, we hodi.
So da ya moya Adom.
Shada your fine cry. Why dey?
It is open tickets ni bi ato a. O dial *725 *8080 hash. *725 *8080 tickets no so pe bi ato pe se onya physical ticket a. Oba mo ha fa no first street Joy.
Okay, Joy FM ho.
Ubenya bi. O call Perez Dome ho a. Ubenya bi nso wo Bachona Total. Hacho Shell. Ubenya bi wo Dansoman Shell and a Tema Community 8 ne 11 Shell. And a Airport Shell so ubenya bi ato wo no. And yes, I'll come to the website at DinaHamilton.com.
www.DinaHamilton.com. International brand partner. We've met severally, but I've not told you. You are so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
So
beautiful.
In any about the audience, and we request maybe
oh,
to take a gift to be a money 3 weeks ago. Gift to be your package the bro TV. So, woo.
Dr. Hamilton, you go many ones. That's major.
So your sister would be proud. Your sister would be so proud of you.
Very proud.
Titana would do vows day. Now, my counselor put to be Bishop show and son pay, but obey me. I check a cry. Now, I say love is giving and not expecting back. In wedding. Your man ain't be the wedding. Your man ain't be.
I think that Sauma now expect here a wedding. Say we will meet your expectation.
Okay.
Yeah, me can say Nyankopon de Yesu mayen. Say yem fa no.
Okay.
Wan ka say mon fa.
Na me be
we say. Say if God is love, na say nyame kire yen odo de na e pe say ye no Yesu kwan so Kristo so mo kwan so. You're giving without expecting. So we ma obi bibi. Na enye se bia na me penti na me your papa bi dia. Esa ni papa ni obi bi keto bia na wani aso. Wa anya ohwe kra we okay.
That's true.
Na ye counsel ni say Valentine no. Amanya mi o. Enye wives day.
Enye women's day kra.
Enye women's day.
You understand?
A lovers day.
To bi ancha de.
Enti no bi ancha.
E ma na je aboso do. Na na mo chen gift so mo maybe. Experience, I won't say Joe Metal, it was so Perez Music, Celestine Donko, Ohima Messi. Oh, okay. Lady in a free UK, no.
Free Belgium.
Okay. Oma, new faces now going up.
Yeah, try.
So every year, I saw the new face.
Last year, then I draw by.
Oh, okay.
This year, the Benis.
What's the motive behind it?
Me that say, yeah, Jumeno, yeah, share young ladies, young men, almost so bomb who modern. Baby, I made you do one for me. Do say, yeah, I am a took a kwana young cock. And tin ye Phyllis say, yes, so in your Bible, but it's also one on your food, your pa, and your piano. In Tino, yes, in our own small way. No, between me, I shra, I must go for ya, almost bomb modern. I think, say, I've been in their position, say, I'm a TUK, Namenum, Ghana. It took somebody to bring me.
Wow.
Ebiana me nyane sa. I don't just say.
That's
I was say ma obia ono so eba na. Intino say nyame my platform na. Ebe ma omo the chance.
That's nice. You are looking forward to see her perform now. Yeah, because you say you have taste for good things. Your fashion says, your stage performance, everything. It's what they will be able to say. Meaning the woman say Yeah, Beshe. Eti Pacha Awake Experience concert, Awake Experience with Dinah Hamilton 2023 edition no. Ebeko so Perez Dome, Jolu. Enye you akwan kwa. Baby I Adom Praise no. Timpacha open me out a ticket online, social media for digital tickets. Wait me out at *725*8080 hash. Now what's on www.dinahhamilton.com. Digital social phone. Wait me akwa na physical ticket. Wait me out by Joy FM. Yenim heya na when you be na Brajo to invitation am I. Me pese my chef for Brajo invite me to Pacha me and Shembra.
19th and 26th is experience with Diana Hamilton happening in Accra on the 19th and then in Kumasi on the 26th of this month, February. You don't want to miss these two great experiences. If you find yourself in Accra, make sure you are there at the Paris Chapel. If you're in Kumasi, make sure you are there. Come, let's praise God together. It's going to be amazing. Not only the artist Diana herself, I'm going to be there. Cece's going to be there. Ohima is going to be there. Celestine is going to... Listen, if you miss a lot. So make sure you're there. Grab your ticket. Come, let's honor and praise God together. God bless you and see you there.
Tickets are 60 Ghana cedis.
Yeah, not missing it. Because experience concert in there. Me who watching so remember na ye twitwa mfoni kakra. Nti tickets nso for 60 Ghana wom, 110 wom, 150 wom. Family of 5 for kwa na ebo medam no. Family nipa 5. Mo be hwe be ma mo table. Mo betena ani mo GAC. Mo hwe 2.5. E di chema mo hwe 50 Ghana. Aye. We a guy. Pa. Me da si fisa no pay. Ya be sure. Obestra me one ma Pentecost sorry na ye fe. Me praise me but where you know Pentecostal praise no. When je ho. Asem biane so. Na otiem ka se where me nkwa je ho adwuma no tetele sa where me da si fisa obestra.
But ninja number.
Okay.
More information at 054 690 7473.
Okay.
054 690 7473.
Me da si fisa na nko twa me ni mo yin twa TikTok.
But I also TikTok to me.
So try mo ni twa me. But mo me sign share invitation baba me just sister Dinah kwan no. Ani just say jumede bebre kwaso. Dinah Hamilton experience concert that day no so you in Shoma finals. Since and Shoma is 7 p.m. I think Sister Dinah started earlier. Eti yenko Dinah honom na yefi honom a yaba Shoma me a meche me mu be miensa sade dwumade no dos but you know singing na no emu ede eti pacho for any chimney support you na ya da sorry enra na che so obi abobi asum meti he me 30 something years we keka 40 me papa wo me down fa ne san ka me enti imagine say me papa wo me mbo me da na mfa say obi ame no wo ho ube yu nsa abo me de how Frank Nero any abo na so free Frank Nero is ni twani Kumawood bigger quiz ni so ye Kumawood actor na apparently no mo issues be and bigger quiz mo ne say o hia na mo mben no ni nyina me blame wa yo si abusia panyi wa yo si ni nyina na me blame because una na piapia ne say onkwachia this wa jesu 3 eti Frank anope me from me nyaw I hope so ho ye ko so apɛ yi yade de say abona kibia twetwe waso ntem honom because jemre kutu betimi afa hwan den ajew eti na bigger quiz uyu nsabo bi ba sum sa for what reason or in the name of showbiz chale industry mommy protecting you because obi ni hu na sisa about ebi kwa no ye pe sibi yu nsabo na sum sa de ti Frank asem ne any den mo de che penifo amu agroni mo be frɛ from na ya so because chine bi na hwan na nko ya asum boy de ko sha techim ti mestre mo se mo me yenhwe nka na me ne Frank be kasa wo zoom but me nya no otim sa so tro na kana pa to da fa ko me pon amere me nya wa enti ebia na wo hu ha wa asum bo no go about because sister na ni asem me hu ha na ni nya me so mo mani so me twantra no pay timpacho wo hu ya mo me hwe Frank a woje asumbo special enra about enti say na ekoye I mean industry de bia ye ka na endorse musa na mo se mo bobo mo ho asumdi ti say Jemile Kutu ya no da ho a ben de wakoshow oh na ya ye say ka bigger quiz we die wanya die we die unu aba me so maybe can watch now, so no, di matem, Miss or me, I'm a crime home for me. Would matter maybe have me pine, me patcho. Why, ye, it's why you see, Sanya, what can't so on coach or dear, need any boom, my penny woofy, me patcho, sa friend, now won't solve him, hope I was your penny, messer. Yes, sorry, not AK, so gun down, or my shooting, AK, South African rapper. And the Abusian phone person more than 10, I mean, my 18th, yet the anniversary South Africa was Sandra Capon producer. When I say Honor Ogro. A honum na yebeko almost almost a private funeral privacy to me pacho obet me ahwe online minim kwa so be stream ya but nyame adma 18 page e idea ye papa na chikwa bekra aka South African rapper ye mebusuafo ni nyina ya compassion mo mpo bi na on translate mamu I mean our condolences why omo ya condolences mo nyina ti no obi ahwe ne ho ye me pamocho obi ahwe ne ho ye de bia me ka say enshoma wo ye star edi bebre sound the obey so do ho be share radensa na wa bompai for protection because we are said nye nipa nenya go for pi shashashashase ba yaso edi so moja be shamunim me pon me need the sister Sandy I'm the guy as Queen Enoch solo me cinematographers e wo fie ha say osmosis say am sound Mauli Sandra Akapo Telma omunyina wa echi honom eboa ene Esther Ann na etwi mani memame but I'm sorry so if you man kwa de afisem eba no my hine kwabna sante edim pinsim mu aba I'm the guy as Queen Oshamokwa Boza Macau
Asia Samuel Kwaba be Adom TV Badwam na o hwede fisam nkomo braso say ye de ebramo na nenu ni titru no ye hwese de apomuden eno ho ensam etie ye da sister Sandy be ye guy ase say wodi ahosepe no ebre ye nti Diana Entry Hamilton ne awake experience no baso kwasia da se de instruma plus final no so baso kwasia da no nti no ahya no so e de ama me wo pure natural health wo mo ka ho bi ne etimede enkomo ati se ye no ebro wo mo dro ye ba ko pe 3p garlic mixture nti numbi ba bia wote garlic bia no hwesa de ne hu hia Dr. Beka chiro se edura enkanja enfensio ene ye de natural en wo mo e de pure natural health nti ene ne ho ese dog ya mo akye mu akwaba na happy Valentine Day so tu wi anu aye ho ase de enka manfa ho ni yeda se papa ba se adwuma mboko efie so boko mo 3p ne de agility aya de empre before obesade for fraba na so ye pabrent se 3p no na boa ye yeda se de bia meka TV ade chi bia ye nya nipa foforo nti o bade na nso akonya ne sa ba bia mu anu a kire 3p garlic mixture dwuma so adie e woni padua ni mo
yo anope mechia Ghana fo nyina ni mamhwe ba fidie so piwak da nyina sade ye ka no woni pa bia pomdi mu nsem hihia de ma no enu nti ye didi a ye home a ye no mu die efi enu ma hodo be ko ni padua no emu na kwan papa ye betimi aboa na yayi fi na moja etimi ediafo ni ye strade ahodo ko ni padua betimi ye free ho no na ese ye nya no papa e betimi aboa ama nipadua no etimi aye nadwuma eyi eno so na piwak fo ye nam so a ene yakofa abibidura yamfa nkeja na yanwa yetimi ahwetwe inoni no ahodo ye botaye pa no se onipa betimi anya apomdimpa titru ni immune system ho no nkoma wo no ye betimi aboho ban na yare basa bia no ensori na emfa ohaw emfa emro enu nti ene se ubra pharmacy heba shops across Ghana na open number 1 organic drugs edura yamfa nkeja na yanwa purely organic base ya na wetimi hu se 3p garlic mixture p1 for e dia badwaman so a ye de eboama apomdimpa akoso se ebia nyini dan edikan na wahwe 3p and say wutie ho asem uko Facebook uko Google na upe best garlic mixture
yeah the last I okay me call ye nedam yampa
enti no na ebia wate ene me mawo mfaso die bia wo sa adru yim de enti Ghana fo nyina ye hia 3p garlic mixture won say edo bia wo de be kan say medicinal properties and say the medical benefit in it na wo hwe inonunu na ye de 3p garlic mixture na ewo bibiti say antioxidant eba for free radicals any gadget rodo atwa ho ahia enti say free radicals no ebetimi produce a lot of challenges and health challenges e dey amayen obi wo ha e betimi ama the chances of betimi develop cancer akora no e very high e betimi ama inflammation etimi aba nipadua ma wo betimi ate eyaw e dey nasefo e wo nipadua num emum e boa for immune system no e ma no ma etimi ekwe papa e sa wo antimicrobial effect a e be boa from bacterial infection and as a fungi enti we nyina mu no sa inunu no papa na yetimi atwetwe ni nyina ya mfa nkeja na ya no no e wo sa inunu no papa ya e betimi aboa edu a e wo antiviral property say bia in case bia say virus bi aba ni paduanum kura na 3p no e wo sa inunu no ye den ewu ekwotia no etimi aboa ene nti na omo brebom ya rete hepatitis B omunum 3p na e ma omo mfaso di epi obi wo ha o say na say dwe na me yare viral infections bi but menum 3p no me hu say me ye viral load no as me virus no form di entia ni nyina ye kwan pa piwak for yetimi atwetwe inani no a yamfa nkeja na ya no e bia me ka say bia uto vitamin C a uto the different ascorbic vitamin C na vitamin C dudu nyina no me ma nyina ye hu say the trade am bonyankopon o ye sa fruit and vegetables na mostly so wo yare mpo a wo doctor and dietitian e be recommend say e bia ya na wodi sa fruit yi bi no ni nyina no ye pe no the natural state ye pe the organic state piwak for the sanim de papa e hwe say ye betimi anya sa no mapa nyina no e de abama apomde mpa etimi akoso enti say ene say wo tisika na wo de to eduro na wo de sa hypertension wo de sa diabetes a eduro na wo nomono etwa say e ma wo extra benefit a e betimi abo kidney ho ban e betimi abo liver ho ban enu na 3p garlic mixture insu e wo sa e ya etwa mu nyina nya insu a ye kosa ye nwa bibi siga we nyina ye vitamin C a ya twetwe natural from the plant a ye de nwanu no e dem eguma ye de boa ama apomden pa etimi akọ enti sa wuti sika na wo de to sa de ya wonim nia wo to wonim ahoto so a e betimi ne yare sa e betimi e de abrawo enti de piwak for ye ka che Ghana fo nyina anopai say 3p garlic mixture no ade ba ko a wo ho kura ne say wo ye obi a wo hypertension and I say wo moja brosfo na wadro bi a wo nom wo betimi dia ka ho na wetimi anom 15 minutes interval na wetimi anu say do ya e betimi aboa ma wapom de mpa etimi aden
ba untimi num we na nsa na 15 minutes times one nom odie no eno so yesa
wo betimi ada so benum we 15 minutes na so wo about 15 minutes interval any of them bia wo betimi anom sa pepe na etimi aboa e de be ameka say moja brosfo nya yare pa yare se eba na wentimi anhwe entwiti niye na edu the stage of chronic wanhwe ni ya njuju yare na se de efe no eye mbuya the stroke no e betimi e de abro enti anopepi work de e kan nyina na se ye betimi aboa mamajaboso so ate empo majaboso ye betimi ye free okra de na ye hia 3p garlic mixture e wo nwanu no a e betimi abo enti wakoma etamba peripeli wo ha woti etadwa pa woni so etan bru wo ye bibi kakra wa bre me patcho anope piwak for say one of the best garlic mixture number 1 organic drugs and Ghana et me discover the entire na o Google a wo hwe 3p e de na aba ama ene Ghana ni ba mapa ebibidru ene Google erete as one of the best garlic mixture in Ghana enti mesre
na de mani je ho no se mo enu nko mutrim amuma ye product bebre bia just hana na mo bo kwa
yes in fact wo hwe 3p mu mfaso a ye boy ho modern se wiase nyina because no mapa wo sa adwem no obi bie hie bia etwa se adwuma no ye nu bia kora ye so what yase ese Ghana fo nyina nsa ke bia wo a diabetic patient and diabetes want me anhwe ne na want treat ne ya emema bebre wo diabetes nti sabio o mema asem no entan enkoyi ene bebre ho mani afra all because of sa yare e bia wo no metformin onu novolog linagliptin insulin kura no e bia wo inject me stress fa 3p garlic mixture no ka wo no na emoa na apomdim papa en unsantimi yaden entimi enka e bia na wa poso kotodwe ohunam tutu obi ho oda o se mintimi na misisi ase yasoja ase mihunam nyina hyeheme mesre enanope Ghana say one of the best and unique drugs are Ghana yetimi a discover ye de boa apomdimpa any 3p garlic mixture wo ha mpa bo correct me yefru na sister would could correct me fruit ukra wonnim mesra say se moje na woni padua ne mo no se entimi anya fosani ena nipa so free to kosi yɛn fam nyina no ɛyɛ ntini enti ehu be hia sɛ obi biara wo ti ase a wo didi wo home na wo no ma wo kɔ bɛ sister ehu be hia sɛ wan kasa so wo be siesie nipadua no because nipadua no ɛte sɛ kaya sɛ efidie no anase ɔyɛ no ma endam kwan mo a no ma entimi nkɔ yi enti 3p garlic mixture ano pe bibi sase bia no pekra no sɛ me wura pharmacy herbal shops a metimi anya bia na ɛdo no mesra sɛ wudu stores a wokɔtɔ a ɛyɛ na wode nsa fa ɛyɛ 3p no so ɛna garlic mixture ɛyɛ emboss wode nsa fa so ɛyɛ sɛ arɔrɔ na sɛ apɔ rough no sɛ de obi nya den ɛmfa bibi bɔne ɛnhyɛ wo nsa ebia na wo hwɛ yɛ ɛwɔ tamale ko ɛyɛ ofa kojo heba ɛwɔ tamale opposite taxi rank obenya 3p garlic mixture no bi wɔ hɔ na etimi aboa papa ebia na wo wa ko mumu na we enterprise opposite wa cathedral obenya 3p garlic mixture ebia na wo ɛyɛ ball ka ko J Wise ɛyɛ opposite Senate traffic ɛno so obenya enopai bi wɔ hɔ na etimi aboa wo kuma ase dia na wo de wona kyɛ dani heba ɛwɔ ɛyɛ emrum ashton hɔ obenya bi hɔ wokɔ Colinac hɔ a obenya 3p garlic mixture na crispy ebia na wo takrade kɔ searchers ana AA mensa obenya enopai bi na etimi abo papa ebia na wo ɛyɛ nkran hade a na wo de woni akyerɛ ɔkanhye angel heba angel dudu bia obenya bi hɔ ana hotel agent obenya enopai bi sekoforia for hwɛ ya wokɔ Gapson pharmacy obenya enopai bi hɔ na ho ɛyɛ Albert Sam ɛwɔ hɔ obenya 3p garlic mixture na etimi abo ɛsɛ woyɛ bemma na wobetimi akwaba ma wani age da nyina no de hia ne sɛ moja betimi adi umafosan ne yie na wetimi anya wo hoɔden
yɛmfa number no
number sɛ de dwuma wɔ yaso yɛ no ɛyɛ 0248 928824 0248 928824 anase 020 100 another 0021 020 100 another 0021 wonim say sa vast day ya course na menam street me say chocolate no any namu pa ha say Ghana ba no enna bi say ya adofo da say ya ye ne je ho na ye so ema no ye fe enti ebra wo de wodofo ekọ no mestre say be man na responsible oba so na why responsible ye here 3p garlic mixture in fact and na man for to 3p pa omoche chocolate nyina na 3p no so any namu
and na self contained that's one boan kasa nti wodi wanu mu no na wo say hwe apomuden
nyamishira apoma no matimi awie pa de abo
nyamishira papa panti Dr. Prince Nelson Mutati ene yetene nka control for da Piwak Natural Health wo madro 3p garlic mixture ene ne di nkomo ifofro nso wo akire ma men komra na yento aso yada se samu akwa babiem de Badwam TV Badwam dwumade so afisam nkomo ne de apomuden no ane de mamo me wo mrantie mienu fefe e wa ha a won so ebeboa ye eno ya kwagye ani bebre wo se yesa cleanse system no mu yesa nya hode de ye adwuma ebiemu pacho me mama kwa ba da bibia abokode make ana e di say make heba malaria treatment na se ne ye gina mu ano no ye ni hu nkomo kakra ne ne dedi kan ye obi tie aha nti ye ne me fansha be ma na me fansha se fi ho.
Okay, me shasi and say Sisia Ghana, men can say West Africa. You're the best and newest discovery. And say you're the only malaria drug any air crogen at the same issue. Now senya see table you say shade. Mama ashafo in hun year because this is the only this is the only malaria drug any clear to say so very potent in a sense Nema mi ensebi in a dance ewo edroya mehia chewe and they say enye just FDA approved emu they are cost standard authority emu ma ye GCMS analysis e kan say na me gas chromatography any mass spectrometry and no mo share organic compounds ewo sa edroya na me no ka say ewo mako 30 aduasa just onoma anya say e2 malaria na say keke na emum emma ahoden e betumi aboa wo nipadua na sipi na sita afi nso eye organic friendly and as you can say organ friendly me can say nkofo bibiro ho no edru ebibidro ya enwi bia onum yo se me bofuno me ama emu yenyan ama me ho ye me basabasa we epe any the distilled product are onoma especially omo ye kidney or problems onoma we pen wetumi anom because all the other bibidro no filled with toxicity the toxicity and I just say if you kakra ewum kidney no entumi nsone saa efin so nti bibidro bibre na no me can say minim say acha 5 years bibidro fro nyina will subscribe to this particular kind of herbal production because this is the best form of herbal production and also it has no known chronic toxicity and the FDA and
because any clear
you say and I make catch us the newest discovery is the whole of West Africa here any produce the only malaria product yet distilled
where the malaria
pet in the bon ejuma
it is na abanum no say wash glass me
oh there be niti a onom na mienu anopa mienu awia mienu eni anwumbre acha 3 to 7 days wasori aba wo ye waduma and I make de bia so say unhia malaria unhia gallon kese kokuru ansa na malaria no eswetwa ya unhia just one bottle of marker Gilbert marker na wesi woda dem nti sia o my Ghana yate asempa yate asem this is the only malaria product.
Ni taste it and mo.
Ni taste at the same issue. Ni taste at the same issue. Ni taste at the same issue.
We dey pass we dey evidence we dey glass aba be hwie because me makoto na me ofie ni makohwie say ade am say go for no gume. O mo hwie so na ama me.
Nimdie na e ko nanim ti nimdie ko nanim no e we say bibidro so e improve.
Yes, no correct because e bi pedunum.
Da bi e bi pedunum.
Ma kala na ne scent kora no ba we so comment scent bia.
Da bi say na me catch you.
We say malaria
draw e very potent.
Bibidro na mo dia e.
Bibidro na dia e. Uhwie bibidro nim pampan keke e na wote. That is the only difference. And no pay any sunsun dem. Na ebo adwuma sen ne anom dia e wo yi so be say be kan ye me come show. And I said they be am so me ka say abrofudru for malaria treatment be any wa obenoma bro 3 days. Inti ade na ye die gallon kukuru benoma no ebi no ma di ja o mma nyina e dro so nya japade.
We dey partial
na 3 days.
3 days one to dey na ni wako hu doctor.
Doctor. I say do e be.
Papa ma mintie won so e.
Okay na mesumu ase na eja Gilbert Memorial Herbal Center ho adanse ani edi no. Na eya na rewo sem bi kakra wo ho. Impempi na manfo ba ye nche no mbohu sa ye enyema sa ye som yare na eya nsomom tai kan se yehumu intama na kayanko seiska enti na ya ba bontin so se ba be di adanse amanfo bebre ye peptic ulcer disease ye diabetes ye uncomplicated malaria any adeade nyina oba Gilbert Memorial Herbal Center yes sa yare prekope na sin kra na enya patients bi na all diabetic wound waya no what insulin impo or what insulin metformin any other medications nyina na enko but oba Gilbert Memorial Herbal Center yehwe no ene hranka nyame insulin on wo biom ana sa abrofudro no nye den osaso nye bia na ni kro no so ewu
na sa nye malaria dro no nko na mo other treatment
you other to stroke na so just recently so be strokes are bedridden for over 3 months. You started therapy in kakan just about 2 months no timia sorry or no ankasa na ntini ade kan no na e born pampers ba afi no ni ho ato no crack you born a diaper yes ba afi no nyam shranka nyam say ono ankasa timi ye ni daily activities such as one e be cry a retroviral infection HIV and other viral infection but the one we have a very strong evidence HIV. Now let me say this we are not saying that we can cure HIV, but we have the good therapy. Nipa kono ba ye checking the viral load about over 92,000 in just about 2 weeks. Now a decrease about 223 in about 1 month now undetected.
Wow.
Yen can say cure.
But mama bafom.
Yes, it is a good therapy. It me show mo uncomplicated malaria, typhoid in India. It means hypertension. Just name it. say yare no wodi nkwa dia Jobert Memorial Herbal Center betima ye bibia
mo ya de and then say papa ho hospital ho clinic
ho clinic and kasa na we a newest discovery into na America into we no na dey ba dwan so na
ama no sa na newest yi say na bi wada ayi na herbal
of course
na kasa bi am ho nkwa na
oh there be in fact as at December diaspora for be fia broche be di ayi nyina we are no motode ko mo krom because omo ko ye no say malaria na had omba mbe fa bi akọ nti we are no motode ko and because of phytochemicals and America say a woman for instance my remember one important one a woman the friend carotenoids see inhibit cancer cells nti as a standard authority ASI hwehwemu na yehu ye no aboa ama nimdia na ewuma ye bo ho deru acha brofo no sisi o maso mprekopa eko nti okọ kanhia the love can herba e wo bi danate e wo bi na kings work herba enso e wo bi na afi kaneshi 2 honest trading enterprise omonso e wo bi benya bi nso e wo lessons pharmacy and afi charis herba e wo mankesim cape coast nso be bia be fa bia o wo bi na ye center na nkasa de North Kanishi Ogle Road, Ufri Park show honoma na wo buy so and afi your telephone number is 0552428780.
What number ni bi na kan tem do ha
0552428780. 0552
malaria dru aye nsuo de me dofo ko pebi se malaria kwa ye testing ko dia
any marketing ho
sir
almost for 3 days
wow
because as I think last month e be chiche on bebre
and no testify so
come on it's working
ya de nyame ase nti we no nyase ya kenti no ko ayi ho no wakoto anom testing malaria wo bi na fe wo de a try e kwa wo na ukure we de nsuo enkura nyina betimi anom
every 12 years and above. Even 6 years, yes. Okay. As I think it's 6 years and above. A bit to me, yes.
And Nina, the same dosage there, anopa. And I say, no.
Nitino, I measure Nitino too. I measure in such a way 20 ml. Until like 3 days, no. Oh, say malaria,
yeah, box.
The cat. Into two, na fe. It means someone would define. When da home out to define.
Hey, me say ya pass what be hwade yes here. Can you come in mo ni ma na me dem bako. Yes.
Ma so jami me nan fofo.
We are now for police station.
We are.
Na police station. But why ya de ya de nyame ase. Nti bibi biem wo ho a fine trap.
Bibi bia de metime aka kire tifo nyina ne se ene mmremu Ghana no. So otina ma ya red dokon ho che na me ma ne mba o ufiri mu kwa na wankasa na waye. Na so pe bia ya obetimi aba ma wenya yaresa krakra de eno ani Jobert Memorial Herbal Center amano ne fuo nyina eba efrefren ma yesanyo mo product bi ni ade nti so de oben na se sa advantage untimi nsom dia ende na ye wala o nti yesra ma for se bibia biara ye obia no tuanamo na bra ye nchen ye nhwehwe ye de ade ba kra ma ye sonkun se ka no krekere se ade no ehie dura ye be ma mu se ehie duru ade a enyi edra ebe ma hu ana yenum bo so nyeden consultation kakre bi registration kakre bi
consultation registration
kiti bi kra eno aso etu anama no aba na enu edi nkom obetimi a friend doctor no bekasa me ame no bekasa me no bekasa ye be church onye menu so na chese wade ho kra
mi sham amen ye de fancy ha iti number ni biem na ya afi yen sorry 0552 ana 428 780 0552-428-780 for malaria drone na esi hei na say aye nsuo obi atimi num bi ti yeda mo asepa ya men koso amma mo ahodene amude betu nyare ahodo ase me kwa ba mo ba kun so sa wa kire ho na de me se apomuden nko a na mden mamo me kwa ba ni ato aso akwa ba ya Adom TV Badwam and I will share fisamo nkomoni ma me fasida ma St Andrew Senior High School awofo abatan true me kan fa mofra ne nko hode ne boarding enti ba bia wo bia utumi de oba call St Andrew Senior High School courses ni nyina nso won mo kire bi e wo ho Calcate toothpaste twitwi abofra ne se anwumre anopa ne anwumre obatan wo ye bie na kra ne hwe twitwi obase anopa ne anwumre wabɔ ne ho ban afri siemu nyarewa ahodo bia wa osa osade no kohu ne dentist eno so de nurse wa wi akra no kra Calcate toothpaste ba bia wo hwehwe bia benya bi ato Kidi Minister of so mujadro enkra wo mu nidie pa na ye peso wo num sa adro ni bi ahobon sa afi na didie mu no na nsakraye abam Piwak Natural Health 3P garlic mixture nunum bi na mu ahoden wo mu ni nyumaku a emi edi nkomo e wa fisem so abribia me wo Dr. Frimpong e wa ha Star Life Clinic Star Health for e wa ha aye ne ebedi nkomo anope ya hwe your lifestyle bi a ye ya be wi achi na dey stroke ejojo ya re bi abreye nti yen hwe sa lifestyle kro no ne yentwe ho fimu na obi anya hoden enkoma abribia dog me mo akwaba ya da se papa ho so aye fe yie kales ne ye bia da so mo wayade nti ne ye se ye hwe styles a lifestyles bia ya na di enkowura stroke ana se jojo ya re ni mo oda roma stroke ni ye dia na lifestyles best ana di enkowura mo.
Okay, mamenchi ahwefo nyina obi sans adia na yenhwe ne sei stroke brofo kakra ne mum de beka so obi anya stroke de be me obi ahu se o stroke ana sa bra stroke ba bra adwen no veins ne arteries are mostly ya na de moja koma adwen no de mframama no efa bi free ne ho no ekoba se emoja ne bi endru brain ne ho a that is the only one I can stroke aba na den be ma emoja ne bi ana se oxygen ne bi ndru ho maybe blockade bi wo veins ne bi mu a entimi ma emoja ne flow ye ana se ebi kwa ho a vein no etimi pai ama ne ye enti pai a is there say anka oxygen ne blood erichi brain no na eliki mum egufom te ba na sa de a ema brain no enya enough moja dodo a ehia to function well e ba na sa brain cells no dey die off nti say wu a that is why Rebecca say stroke aba na on say brain no eso bebre and divisions in so bebre this part of the brain no right side of the brain no control all the left actions are nipadua we beye and the left side of the brain also control all the right side of the body the beye it now say baby a emoja ndu no this part of the brain automatically this whole left side no obenya problem and vice versa so na on say kasa say you be hu ade ye nema bebre nyina brain no nti akoba se brain no bia baby enya oxygenated blood
enuane ehia no ma sa
eba na sa chimate beba baby as a part of the brain no control no ebi another part no control speech nti okasa ntimi nkoba ana se bia ebema wano achia kakra ana ebi ana that part no control movement ntimi nkonante nti that is where a stroke eba
wow mo yada semreni nti yentumi nkom bebre nti na ne de pa na be masa chimato no beba abema be stroke no de na ye ema de sa how ne ba
mostly yana aye lifestyle bi niam bi aye ebi enuane bi aye di if enuane bi aye saturated fat like sradie bebre ne sugar white sugar bebre any other no yedini bebre are mostly etime boa and adewa ko a etai boa pa ene se obi a otai nom chilled water bebre mostly at times etime boa ma veins no harden it is a harden a likely say betumi apai amano ye and you know some lifestyle ne niema bebre ho aye and your conditions bi yare bi no mo ho a onya na se otena ho a ebetumi aboa ama stroke aba very easily ebeti say diabetes to nya diabetes no hwan treat ni yie obetumi nya stroke very easily and hypertension akoma yare onya no hwan treat ni yie akoma yare ye obetumi aboa na the stroke aba ene oda yare ahodo binom aya no so betumi aboa
sa it's apart from sa fatty foods and niema ye didie no de biem lifestyle biem na and also ya anya careful ya me ani anko ho a ne other conditions bi a ebetumi ama yen stroke
say mostly say yeda enka position impo ayeda no e wonema bebre ka e fa ya pomden ho because anatomically ni ye hwa your organs na hye ho ni nyina no ebia da left.
Okay.
Left. And on say a man in him, Nasa Omo Continental, you two almost say, yeah, woman down on the left side. Said a bay, if you know, a better you now call let me a better ye. Because if you know, call left side. You liver for Cassiano or left side. And all the organs, Nina, except the year 2. And Tiakobasa, obeda na onipedia because why you yeah. And can be here and that on your left side.
Nti na say me te here me lefty. Ti me da manimu hwese.
That's right.
Hey, e be hwe akosi de bia sa na say me da ho.
O be da dia sa na wose oda.
Okay.
And na mu ne de bibia betumi. Ne mum o be da ro de. Yes and ka be da on your left side.
Okay.
Na timi aboa ma organs na da so wo ho ye adwuma ni nyina no. Atimi ye adwuma yi. Na
say pregnant women nko na ye ka mo.
Obia
oba obemo.
Obia but pregnant women na ye tie this afutu no ma wo. Because on and if we are kesi obi nso so kan ho but so onyimu unko hia sen ka obeda dia o de down your left side o da wie na o koda baby foforo dia and de wa da wie enti say o da on your right side na putu profound down chain putu pruwati weni o sorry ya na onante etimi buampo e ma onya stroke Pajawati ase. And he said, what da sorry, and I what da na person sorry mpo a. O sorry atana se kakra. Ni pedua na machine o. Said the hospital o car, o twan am ni hiti kakra so akono. Ni pedua no so da sorry na sorry atana se kakra. O me kakra good. And so na what start ai movement bi ana bibia e wo se we.
I see. Hey, asemo komo na ye de no but how na ye me de pa. E wo se ye da ye left.
Good.
Sir. That is
the best sleeping
so
position.
So when it's now all right, I fine. But fire what say before wo be da no.
Good.
Okay. But nya say bi aware for before na ba na obi ani hwe ha no obi ani hwe ha. E ye kwan ye protect ye ho. Nti ye hwe aduane die mu ye. Wo sa kan bibi se nsuo enwunu.
Enwu pa.
Obi o wonum nsuo enwunu bebre no.
On say ni pedua no. Ewo temperature at which organs na wo ho ni nyina operate at their maximum capacity. And na 37 degrees Celsius. Nti yakoba say nsuo nso so ye lower than even 10 degrees Celsius. Nti yakoba say bribia no di nsuo enyu bebre we ko nipadua no mu a nipadua no e wo say esan heat up
to the level no.
To level no. Ansa na watimi ayusu ni yie. Nti bribia no ehunko hiampo se nka be yisu nsu a yenyu bebre nka no warm water nemum aha no se de kromu ye hye adedo
ti wo ho ana de afam eni kwa se ye daada wo ye ne daada no na e block na wo mo no mo sanemre na so ne sa de no so etimi egenerate
ensan so boa ema veins no arteries ni nyina ye very hard.
Okay.
Etimi boa man ye very hard. Etimi boa man pai ntami pa and woman no mun no smoking it omo ben stroke ntami pa
young people no rather
no
munya stroke
atete no penifo
70 abowie so na de 34
good
oh don't me your number no
fa number way 0249
because who the about fertility no I want to tell
that's right
sa ti my your number
0249 200 555 0249 200-555. Na me dey twa mu say first match here by.
Okay.
Ye wie Kumase for the branch.
Oh, mo
o ma haya che. Ye wie Kumase for branch no. Enti first of March.
Okay.
And ye launch branch no.
Wow.
Kumase.
Okay.
Kumase branch no kwa mu.
Okay.
So no say your branches ni bi o other areas so bi o Kasoa, bi o Sunyane, bi o Doma, bi nso so Ojama South, Japekrom. Kumase and the latest branch. Ye de Bremo Kwamo.
Sir. Yadasi, if I will see her.
Yes,
Enti Dr. Frempong, and no, eba a womu and Samodia, na Star Health for mobile one number no de to hono. Me no so na yem fan common in NC ha St. Andrews Senior High School, KLK toothpaste, kidney mini syrup, Piwak Natural Health, Womada Roma, and Yadim Komwe Ebra, Womidi, Edia Fia, Amankwa, Tamaklo. Ye koma hine kwabna sante etwaso.
Well, ya bede fia mankwa Tamaklo ase na yada you kind of say, Sister Sandy be a guy, Professor E.K. Wallace. Quick reminders. Honorable Samsiahi, Yakona Kusen, Sunyami Adma, Memenda we fiada, Memenda and the Quesiada, Waja or the Obasa Siwesu, the Radiaton Safran, the late Joshua Kwabna Ewusi, Dodona Freno, a year Papa. Papa and a radiator safrenti. If yada or Breman SCM Mankesim, a ho na Yakopen Crabia, na fe, Mimidan Yatinasi, ewo Biahua, Yan Shannon na Yanko Tai, Nimian for Samson Ahi, and Nebusia, very important. Yaka Samson here, wow, nim, Suma Abasum Ghana, Gusu Sum Ghana, na awesome the party, so. Na fe so awesome eye adofo ene monso amwo ne mpesa so na menka o se na o hwe wi ya nso no ye maame the late oba pain Sophia edu say ono so nyamfie eduowotwe mienu 82 years ye nkotai emechi na otwe ewie okumase na me yadoma 18th of February Presby Asafo ewo bomso Trinity Presby Asafo bomso eho ana ebeye ufusum na afia kope ne krabia sepe onsuansa Royal Cemetery na afia adofo ne ebusuafo atenase wo Jubilee Park a ben Prempa Assembly Hall donko kopem se no nsia ne kwase dan so na asia soro no yebe koso o Trinity Congregation Asafo ewo eye bomso Presby na mekan efita na ebehye ebusia besa atenase wo Jubilee Park ben Prempa Assembly Hall donko kopem no nsia ye mabusuan nyina yakọ kunafo ye Yeru Asam Kwame Apia Kubi emma nana ma kuto wo USA nana akua free Apia wo UK nana ma sewa Apia wo USA Mrs Stella Apia Poku wo USA Mr Frank Apia Dodora Frana Toto or UK Mrs Flora AJ Mensa ewo Kumasi Ohenere Amapoku ya wo USA Ama Paying Grant ewo USA Ama Kakra Grant ewo USA ana Mr Eugene Kwabna Ofori so eye UK yenkota ebusuafo achibro omkope the late Oba Paying Sophia edu say to do friend Equia Nyamesem and our sister omkope ne krabia. The Vice President of Ghana, the spokesperson Atnase Edika Boderu na children and run a chance no kasa on Shiemo any bishia eye enne Majority say a lot of questions Eddie can crab. If you go through questions what you're asking, really? The Dr. Gideon Bwako correlations and Akwaba too. You won't watch it. But make out say Dr. Gideon Bwako a proud Ahafonian for this year back on we are very proud of him. Now watch this space in soon common and check Ibidisa and Kobo. It's half of 4 chamo, it's half of 4 year, and ye be din como. Dear Unyamiti million no. Inti bibi pa a bit me free half for, but into a while for I won't share at this point. And more be another so free half until bibi pebia into me free home. Yeah, hey, we are too much of an example. Obeti me so. Na mo ti me so dia atra ye hye no. Akonka ma afo ni mabenyam. Me chia Regional Minister George Bachimi to nka che yi pa nti ojiri se bibia e kama. Now Vice President what is saying? Ono person a potential flag bearer for the NPP, right? Inshallah. No, also interest no.
Yeah.
Oh,
very well.
Facha me say nkomo bibro e di ba okoka very well there. So what the amount for kaka for Vice President? No.
Oti area kwesibu afọ asadu aka abrebe.
O say
abo ni ho na ye bonity.
Abo ni ho. But e be a worry no. Because almost nkomo bi na yes ni bi. Na yes central for ni bi kwanse ma ye kan say. O di ne kodwa so a. Je empa na akoka say. E di to me share ne say mampenya be de chiri.
Okay.
De empa why? That's the more say because inshallah certainly oba. Did you know why?
The Ghana Aban President Kufuor Aban Ayebiano, or Mampania be de Chiraye. The Yenya, Mampania be de Chiraye.
the Ghana
the abang way aye biano okay yeah mampani abedi achiraye the abang way ntimi nye biano mampani abedi achire ntimi nye it's as simple as that.
The achievements of this government more than a celebrity boom
exactly. And the failures of this government, we celebrate with you.
It's inclusive, you will be a byway.
Excellent.
When you move free.
No.
But what is it when you be Edison common?
You see, sir, and no. And I bet you the individual people, Nipa, I hold on there or party. And Obia da or my party. Obia a farmer or my party. Now, no sooner bet you. Sa party mpanifo person mo choose to take a decision na omo be hu se yen ko choose one ma omo de papa ba omo ka ho bone ba omo nka ho
bone no ye were a figurehead that are responsible for those lapses, not necessarily crowd bone. These are lapses. For instance, I see economic management team. You see the finest brain in terms of you see Kasemuntu to ye Dr. Baumia. For instance, I say any economist are turning IT specialist. So some common being in everybody basu.
See, I never call me person me can. A man people for you not tell say me nyine bebre me ya bofra. But my son party and I know MPP true and true. The MPP for you now when say MPP party no leader be any how obedi anymore. What my any power. As I live the dano, young no hofin.
Leader be anywhere.
Be anywhere. Be anywhere, or say what be DMPP and him. Ama, what him the aquaje franca, side pano. Young no hofin. Ubia or say, or no dear, Nihuni asem. Ubia and Timin can wasam bonny biano. As a sandy pano, Nipasha down who say, or crowd bit me to me until whom he has a account wasam. President Kofo, the Kayama Kosi say, as Antonibian Timidi President Kofo, not in a car, yes, I know can. He came, you had to turn a whole pink cancer. President Kofo had them say, you had no good from the TT and so. Sir, O person all rise it to that level in a political party. Now, obey a leader ultimately was our party now. I was our sacrifice our personality. Now, the bar for dear, at my party. Na obi bia so one MPP ma oye na dwuma yie na oye dwuma bo MPP party na at the same time oye dwuma so ama the opposition party na hunu say MPP ye better than sa opposition party say nipa na ye better no hope I just say wa wa adwene say wo the party na opposition na o mfa ho onko kan bi na obi abedi watam o protect wo ne wabusua ene wo integrity but what the mention as nti ye ka wonye den wonka bi na emom aben dia a opesa wo kire say ye no ano abi but ona ye mfa ade no.
So the issue is that mo de papa mo boni mo all you know is that a MPP and the wo.
And that has been Baumia. You see sometimes Crawford be correct me ka so Baumia or bada ben o tell me na say wa mantem sabe na Dr. Preku kan ye kan say ade and then kan Dr. Preku na ye den aduru no so. Because I know the Oshas contesting at Chapa, what also me as President Kofo the first 98, Nana Kofo the second, Apraku the third. The Kaofi was an Akaoko Apraku, so but that is not the issue. And no quarantine and Yamasumun, you say Paul Amantem, and so Ede, or say the California. And it is about the sacrifices. And no share about me, I mean, his major preoccupation. And say, look, let's sacrifice for the party. And then, Obi MPP no to make us so. And some about me account opposition. What you mean? And then no more car say a no. You buy no, you intiminya inti. I say, intimi fa baumia enko.
But are you wrong?
Now, Busa say, the baumia car opposition. And then Susudia or the buy SMP power, you buy any some or kind or come on, why?
Or come on, MPP.
Or come on, something pretty as a the baumia opposition. Sir, ordinary edge achema. Ediama MPP. Now ye didn't attempt receiving all the attacks from the NDC. Now okasa ye betima ye say ye betima ye so wan kasa or the man who say Baumia. MPP ne di na juma di hon faso. MPP was the ultimate beneficiary. E was sama Baumia kan ye. The Baumia ye bia in opposition. MPP no ye man or didn't hope for there. Sabe nyo no nkwa na nanko betimi akasa na nyo no so nko a ne kasa ye nipa bebre so eyebi binim so ho de a omo nan anka omo nsan anka pachotre mechina ase na omo pese ebedi omo atam omo pese obi abekasa ete omo no omo hwe ebeye ya enye so enye but the lives of Bawumia and the rest who say enye ebeye asem enye asem yen sacrifice ye ho your integrity yen sacrifice your family na yen make sure say ye bema Ghana for enya GD ewo MPP no in opposition and na omo bi do omo ti gira chema the MPP was the ultimate beneficiary. In fact one more and no more ka say oh ye ka say BSc entima anye ene ne nkro ne ba ene nyina no omo hunu se nipa bi an sacrifice wo position an kan some omo kan amasa ni so adun no ama and can MPP ama power na MPP ama power so say omo serve as ministers na e ka ho de omo nya ne some person would jano come on because without sacrifice that is what it is a sacrifice and a call to duty and not bomb yeah to us oh now the okay yes be in opposition or no na said why the main face on the president Kufuor star boy for the MPP what I mention say na no so na chese de onimoto and the original no okay so in opposition the MPP felt say Bawumia or a star boy okasa nyansa wom abawom krofofa enti ya agriculture honsama no na kanyasa eye trade honsama na woka eye energy honsam na woka eye finance honsam na woka eye education honsam the MPP at the time Bawumia was the god of MPP okay ehumi says Abrante he is all round what the bibia man obetima ka ho asem ana waka ana wa yesa na party na yesusu no na yaba power say yaba power ana Ghana constitution ne mra kwan so no ye ka say Bawumia ye all round ti yemfa Greek ministry shanesa yemfa finance ministry shanesa yemfa energy shanesa yemfa trade shanesa yemfa fisheries shanesa ne nkro ne ba de nyina e shanesa ana wantumi anya de a wo se Bawumia wo kan ba ye de ma wantumi anya de anye but in the frameworks of the constitution ma dwemu no eni kwa se de adwuma ni nyina hye ba akofo nsa enti ye ba power no say the constitution is share no ministries beokrada created by the constitution yes sir ani so ade hunu na party no enam president ne Bawumia monso ye to ho di no enie na mom wo man hene ye de wato agriculture no yes sir obi ye de nato energy Gideon ye de nato what say trade we ye de nato ha monhwe na monye adwuma obia ankrankra ministry bia adwuma oye no ene ye kan nyina afu a ne ya present ya Ghana for say modern mo a ya bonie so meba a collective responsibility excellent and ebe kabum ebe the final results for the excellent into be also ana cd ahode what I say ebe perform ti ya fa mo Bawumia sebe impress na person kede bon won pa cho meba just because I don't know make the issue so ye ba mu na bia ye the good for oil ba be ma city na gina automation say ye ba mu near ye industries a betima ma ya export more ye benya foreign exchange ye ba mu near agriculture production kosra e betima ma nya no ba bebre ne ya den ya kwa koton ye benya foreign but me the side ideas no say benya no nko a ye collective but them say most of them on no be there or be communicate. These are fantastic ideas and they are true. So what me yen sa na ba. Ti ye ba mu no. Ye se ye pese ye hwe se ye nua na ye bedua bebre. So ti ye minister for agric or no making sure say there's a lot of food production. Ye kodua nua na sa ama. I didn't test all this so work about Bawumia so no na ka say agriculture betu ma ye sika na gina. But ye do be to agriculture no. Sasa nipa no antimi amfa sa ni so ade hunu na party no ene ayam pipifo nyina ye Bawumia kan no anya adwuma adentina sasa ode ho so bokobo Bawumia so say Bawumia kan ye say oh ye ba ne ye mfidi dwuma ne ye dane no man ne ebetimi ama no matima ye nti one district one factory ne nko ne ba ye mfamra it is good e true so utimi ye ne sa be ma economy na nyini no one move from say we turn raw materials no so be add value and ye do be akoto ano say wo na wo ye in charge of say e be hwe mfidi dwuma ho sensem ne ade say anko yi a patriote mention say adentina say wo de ho so bo ekobo Bawumia ye say oh sikasem no ye hwe na ye stay discipline na yakate a quote according to your size na yetimi generate more revenue ebetimi ama yesika sem na gina ne nkro ne ba omi aka in opposition very good fantastic idea it is in line with theory and the practice what I mention as no dispute about that e buy no so do bia to bia finance minister no wo hwe na only GR reform raise more money we make sure so scan be ba no so better to me mo be spending ye say anko ye a adentina ese so de sobo ebo de or ma oka idea no ho asem na we jade or no implement idea no because yeka some producer vice president office ye ma contract ho ye nsa check ho ye implement project ho na momo no de ne say ne suma wo de som say wo boa ni wura president no nim de a wo ene adwempa wo no o de sansusu de no ebeba na aboa no kreso ni ba umi approve beyond reasonable doubt say ye kan wo mo otimi tan ase adwene de nim de bebre eba aban mu a oyobi a otimi boa saade ne ye eti as vice president won timi tan ho nhwe say o ministers no nhwe no monyo madwuma just like that but ono so ne nim de ne say me ka bibia chiro ye ba 2017 no say adwuma sem ye problem on the mention eti ye ba no na unemployed graduates association then in Chronic Bank mabru nya adwuma nya na ya ba 1 year people were complaining say youth employment yeah there it took the vice president and then the team in the office and on what so yen create adwuma bia ad hoc kra na ebetimi a lesson problem that and they did something like NAPCO the whole NAPCO idea was birthed in the office of vice president and president then they launching NAPCO no okay one some vice president about so this idea the buy what the idea number you good you good okay you should implement you do implementation and your vice president office and then implementing NAPCO and your youth program maybe a the Minister of Youth and Sports and I say be office of president whatever near oh you have say ambulance what Ghana sir what you mention I say akrofo yare wo nkra say omunya nro wo ka obi ni ade enti ambulance so wo ho ne no so ntimi nko sanka your health asem but somebody like Badwam thought about it say oh mako Silicon Valley mako shia mrantie zip line for yanhwe na zip line adwuma na ewo Tanzania no yemfa bi mra Ghana na ambulance ni ho kra na yentimi nya drones na nkonkra se nko deliver medicines fantastic idea what the idea na ba abaya hu say idea no eye na do implementation some the vice president office they implementing it is a drone anko year Obeteka so vice president idea but he's not the one implementing ma aban any ministry no implementing that is it.
The issue is that are you saying that after all these fantastic policies and ideas now more creative do now or vice president Australia those who are supposed to implement it implementation a cost challenge for party and an implementation a cost challenge for minor immediately because clearly the outcome it makes sense you know say nyame adome adwene intimacy and dey kwa de inkrani bi ho a intimi fa a shen and as a boat kodo enko intimi fa ba secret kwa fa nru nko ye wo abefu nimde bia ibetimi aye a ba bia wo hye wo kurase bia ase ibetimi de dry de abre ho no age atomawi de wo hwe sa dwumadi so ko na ko implement so we cannot come back and say that who now the idea they buy and they are implementing. But the point is, you are supervising. What have you been doing? The modern boy and so any you know. At the end, why I found because you baby and say what ultimately suggest him open say open what in this case referring to the president. What are I do to come bibi eko kame what are em say how dey enkoyi
edikaino. Let me emphasize say I'm not admitting failure on the part of government.
Okay.
Mejitum say enye bibia aban and I say MPP party President Kufuor do anymore no. You can't say be opposition in any yetimaye. I'm not saying that. Now you fa Ghana political history so aban bia ni ho awaba de o ka so betim obaye no wetimaye ni nyina. And you can say ade anka ne NDC obi antimi me contest election bia bio. Odi ani so ade ho ne ba. Oba de obetimaye no waye. They want to me aye no ehon no kware die ni say e bia Ghana for you can say be say we dey yan to me anye sinton say ne ba sa sinton no ye ne ankasa ye sinton and I say we dey na we ase enoma bia bobo frama bia bobo we ase be so ye so nti na yan to me aye de anye we wo dey not to ho a then you make a case for yourself your party and on any day any time any moment make us a MPP ya boy ho modern achen Yura Mahama ne NDC. That argument can be made all the time. But me pese MPP ni bia enya saa reshimu no. Ene saa gidi no ene saa hotoso ne se sabe mpreduasa. Yesinto nyina akiri no. Yesusu se ya ye adwuma eso chai any other political party current there was a person here contest. It wo ya MPP ni a it is not for you, especially one person with the party na nimu de to come and say oh just because person otwe ho free normal ba komienu bia e bia atosini ewo aban ne munti no now you ho say holier than that what dey say as opportunities kakra no nti wo so na wo ka ho bi ma twe me ho na mum the course when you be idea, yes, sir. Now, a party.
I think let's be quite specific. Some of your party people look like I say it will be difficult to sell Baumia or market Baumia because Baumia message Ben or they call Ghana for it. And I wouldn't just ask you,
so the Obia or Casa Biano. Now, latently, any Pakwan person, just any MPP, you can see a 2024 election. Because the entire Okasa and they say, and no matter do na I can't say a bayan, but Umiana Kaya. That's what I mentioned. And now, oh, or no, not which I don't agree. Or no, not Jimmy say, oh, intimate a B. It is the intimate, no. It's as about Umiana Kaya, intimate fanning a day, uncle. So, what can I say? Not just say also, oh, but on the ticket of what? On the ticket of MPP and as a CPP, and as a independent candidate. So what about on the ticket of MPP? The other person say MPP need message. MPP to me can be beyond will be unconvincing. Oh, what Jimon Sana person there, and you don't come and ask us to say I'm only the MPP. Go and look for another political party and as a creative political party be able to back us. Oh, me cry dear. My name and Crawford na yen can MPP ho cry. What you mention us? Into the year back on our own. But also person lead the MPP there. You can't choose and pick in this particular instance. Not just one case and one should the collective responsibility. And Sanya, and I feel so no, you don't even appreciate what your government have done. And I feel so no, they are buying a year be crown, one case won't shed the name. What I mentioned, the amiable boss actually will say, look, there are challenges all right, but look at something. When was the last time in this country? What is we say petrol boa peja akodru sro na sate aba from sane yehu. Petrol boa later it could do around 20 something cedis per liter meboa. And they were saying it's in the tens. What you say around 15 or so. What's the last time I would say so Ghana in our history no exchange rate no cedi na ho dey aba from ama afedi asate aba almost half of that. Oh be that be. It only happens in MPP. What you say we may have challenges but you to correct challenges, no, Emma normal reverse it back. And these are some of the things what can be because you are stolen by Omia too much. Tama see the initial as I said Tambo, November, December, and other. You saw what Baumia did. Quickly, the moment a vice president announced good for oil policy. Because exchange rate market and speculation contribute a lot to the depreciation. And Uncle Fong say, hey, say I buy say on $1 $4 be on fan. Because on a foreign exchange international reserves, so I did back one a higher trace can be brave, a fan water. Bosumi be spent almost $400 million at the import of fuel. It is a Bosumi be also subsidies a quarter $400 million. What dollar the donor when I so sick and hold the essay. The moment a vice president announced our policy in the microphone say, hey, says our policy shall say 2023 there. But must see the edgina dollar the back of Timi or dollar crab measures and a many day. Min Jemo. And then a man for shots so much or dollar mo precope. I didn't know I could do 15. No, say yeah, but below 10. That is innovation. That is visionary leadership. That is obia sabe. Also, of course, cool in Nimdia was swearing what deba a year juma practically. I mean, yes, on faso. And a year under and this year, Hunda says he did not depreciate. I could do this level now at $1, 1 cedi. Could that never happen? But MPP no sabi busy now. I didn't tipa. What you say? We have ideas near the idea. Team deba now. Boy, am I ne? Good for all you send by. Fuel, a sort of thing akra. MPA for crowd now saying the next week or two, a bed drop by 2 cities. And gradually, by the time I drew almost close to full capacity of the good for oil policy, almost a fuel price better from drastically and solving all the problems. Babons are huchra nanka petrol boa ne fan wo boa e de beton crofo so no sa ho che na sha say the eba from kakra. And in this modern world under the fourth industrial revolution, you hear leaders who are thinkers, who are visionary. Na omunya 2 minutes on betima hwe na crofo implement. Say there. Ba omi adwuma wo ye nyina ne say wo boa ni wura kufuado. Na omasom oman no. Adwuma president de be hye ne nsem se ne emrase no. Eno ho adwuma na wo ye de oye. Ana sabio minister bia ye na adwuma on report to Bawumia. Bawumia de ho ne say president advice ne say anaso director ne say ohwe ni hwe for ni hwe a o minister de we a wo ye me susu nka wo ye ni say a ebe ya futuo. No minister by the law is bound by the words of any vice president. But what I mentioned, it is what two for now fan out the year Juma. A beboy in a be a minister no so one fan year Juma and chess away and your mom some be on also not journey a different. And on also near dear Jumana Shenesa, one couldn't taboo bar. Na bibia anko ye Ministry of Adom TV a yebeka so man hene ona na woda no na deny there anko ye it is a maybe babe 2 for na officer foto na me de ma no ene dia opesa wo ye no so ensisi so a wo ho right say wo be take decision unless cabinet or the president orders you say chenchena chen aye say it bibia MPP ye bia no ye hunu say party for ni nyina hunu say a collective responsibility say obi say ene opesa o twe no ho free mu. Now, because different aside, he's not worth the vote of the party people because he cannot sacrifice himself for the MPP. Bawumia in opposition has done that human's job: sacrifice, service, and service in humility. It do baby and no more denia de crano. No, akujina. You and I were not there. Court. No, we're defend the party. No, against all us. Nyamiso achena dear on your lawyer. But in the Supreme Court, I didn't in a process. You never saw about Miano from Bakokrada because I didn't share at the end. No, I'm making sure so. But yeah, Mokrano, Bibi Bia, says a way, yes, do baby no more then. Now communication, Crofokra so say, away the better than your chim. We say, no, I J or Jonas Symposium, but some year lecture. Now, Crofok, Mikasa, there was a time be a last lecture be a Koye or Yesukrum, a Pentecost Convention Center. Me kwana me sister ba ko bia frame say ade yo mo betima defend na me so de jai ye betima defend ba me akasa wi a no say say na nchire mu say wo ho say ni say e bi ma command to for whatever reason but no there whether rain or shine he's there for the MPP because a MPP but
the biggest challenge more the opposition throwing it at Bawumia now Bawulaya Bawu IT Bao no message, bao intimate tone. These are commentaries, sir.
Yeah.
I don't know how team no more assess it. Yeah. So when we say Bawumia, what is it with Bawumia? Branaber responded to 17 questions. How the man, the late Miss Arthur, and all those things. It will pop up this elections. We say we is a flag bearer clearly. These are some of the things that will be. So the man Bawumia.
So the man Bawumia say, let's look at the personality. What does he stand for? Okay. Ofri say to be a vice president as a president, or somewhere Juma. Okay. Or someone also say one kasa woni peduano. Usune obaite say. It's very important in the first place. He comes with a certain image. Say one, nani mreshe. Pachote mecha. Bawumia ni mreshe. He's one person. He's not in government to enrich himself. Till sometimes once I'm for in the Mokta say, Bawumia the way no say, see no evil, touch no evil, hear no evil. You will never hear or see so. Bawumia a lead project be, and now say we call the idea be about a drew home implementation. Now or the home shim per se. No, you will never see him. Say what the day or say or he doesn't care. The okay say it's about Ghana. Let us develop Ghana. Ghanaians and Ghana. You hear those kind of leaders are omoya selfless. Omoya nkrofo sabi omo ma ba mu say omo ba be pesika bi e de enrichomo. That is the persona of Bawumia. That is a key attribute. I will say whoever we choose as a party, no, because 2024 whether you like it or not, NDC the Muhammad Beba. Okay, so we should get a personality here. Okay, as soon as in Muhammad Jinawa, how do you assess them? Then also, you share the level of knowledge Nipanowo I'll bring it on board. Clearly, unofficial but Ghana for nyina gitum say you vice president what demonstrated beyond the capacity and as the office of vice president now why more impactful in our modern day political season as Badwam sabe wa ma me yes oh may play a supportive role nti me armchair vice president the ebeka say menye na ma ye bibi ni ho na but you see a lot of MPP so you see a 2024 campaign and no be dey koto ye say achievement major achievement ye be boso in MPP say you free senior high school say what is a mobile money interoperability digitization job creation NAPCO and then croniba major things zipline drone ambulances near the agenda 111 all these ideas and you can never take Badwam out he is shown say even when we came and acquire one some problem and for complaining what did Badwam do call China create something like Sino-Hydro people didn't even understand now Kofofi say it is not even possible. But when we are taught outside the box, we're using the economist theory and then the practice. Oh, we can do something like infrastructure for boxer, Sino-Hydro idea. And my idea, you can't be brave. Ghana. You can see, sir, he has a lot to offer. But I want to mention, I say, and Badwam sees himself and say, look, the Amukra say, Mayor Vice President, innovations, ni ideas are met me at the Abama, I have so much to offer. Now he's in a supportive role. But even in the supportive role, no, you should say, well, the key projects. I want to solve Ghana for you now. My uncle be America. No, sending messages when information say vice presidency effective April. Ghana need be from the chamber. Don't fill cards.
It's in the papers.
Exactly. And so you see, he's a vice president of ideas. There's no doubt about that. Be only Badwam saying be any year Juma say advisors required. Do be also at a panel because Okodru Yenano, he expects so much from you in terms of knowledge. He knows more. He has that persona say Onyeni Brebre for he's not into politics to enrich himself. Now aside there a lot of ideas come on board. In a supportive role here, what me so woman now so na oye in charge. Then he knows say me the pillar we na see me the way na see we nom and na idea we ya de ba me fi so betima ya wanye ni ya mesesa. So that is what he brings on board. So Ghana see here modern day politician be with that kind of personality and that level of knowledge ni intellect na yade akuma kan ye juma de som wo man no dia and don't look for any cosmetic thing.
Dr. Gideon Boko Augustine Blaine there.
Oh yeah, secretary to the vice president. Just like Media 2 is to the president.
Krata we no Sasha say a authentic information.
Krata there.
Krata ya say response to media report on Mr. James Keko said.
Yeah.
It's one about. Yeah. What's that story? I made front page story. So vice president office implicated in.
Yeah.
What's that story?
It's one of those things. Now, politics, no, so you do sabri. Now, I mean,
strange things.
Internal yanum, external yanum.
A combination of forces.
Combination of forces.
So there's no truth.
No. So what is true? And they say. Ehwehwemu bi koso na san hwehwemu no nipa na ye hwehwemu no wo mo no baako eye adwuma e vice president aso eye menka say vice president office because technically there's no office like vice president office. There's the office of president. Now about office of president hona subsets or your chief of staff secretariat, vice president secretariat and then croniba enti ayimo no part of Yenina under office of president. To see my appointment, chief of staff, and I say president might be there, and I'll be there to next. Now you appoint too. Maybe say I was appointed as economic advisor at the office of president, not the vice president. What I mentioned as, but when you drew high, so and the vice president Yejuma, we see. So the political appointees in the world, political appointees require umunchichimu. Yeah, one more, purely political aides because president and vice are politician to know. And they are one so you appoint to more as political appointees, but they may not necessarily be politicians. Obu ho chade we invest or special competence be. Or should anya MPP ni bebre, na ye de na ba so be boa. Obu also MPP ni but special competence. Into me say no, I was appointed as a political appointee in that category. So what I mention I say. Eti wo sa no there oba adwuma ye se ye na wahwe so na waye ho adwuma and in that case we feel adwuma mu cry my own resign and that's just a wa ope And to me say me free Kwame Nkrumah suapom say ochechire I resigned from the university. I took secondment for 3 years. 3 years no so 30th August 2020. And I invest in this renewal for another 3 years. And to me madwuma amene aban a year or Jubilee House no. Ebeba we year 30th August 2024. I have to go back to the university unless say me say try kona university ni mame this ni bika wana asa beka se ma resign. Pa chote mention. And ye wo omo nso a omo ye civil servants. Omo no de NPPO NDC beba ko omo de so wo ho. Eti Mr. Osei or not follow within that category. Civil servants never no. They don't report to the president and as a vice president. They report to the heads of civil service. Yeah. It is be a civil servant or ministry be and our vice president office and our president office. Now ye Bonia president ni ho kwanse wo twese ani pakraso. Mremo no. Vice president ni ho kwanse wo twese ni panaso. Se me ye Bonia vice president as a president because se me na me employer o me yiwedi. And I could try be on suspension. But the president or vice president does not have that capacity to do that. Enti papa yi dia na dia what say? A man na na ebom ba ko so de Isa. Say Isa no oye adwuma e wo National Insurance Commission. Ba jo tell me.
Yeah.
Ti ono ana utiete ensem na okohu civil servant ye o ho ne say owo mo bi e wo tema port container more container time bi. Na ni yi no onya challenges so them will feel say so the vice president din bata ho a ebe ma portfolio no e gbabo ho no mayimo na manti okohu sa civil servants on track rata so civil servants so omo administrator omo access to letterheads but vice president letterhead ne president letterhead ne colors no different so and civil service for no so omo ade on track rata say vice president office any here salmon but you the mention as and Crawford tired the bia now ya chi omo enti na omo adwene say omo the corner vice president di bata ho dia omo no omo be dane de ede na akwa say akwa na yamfa ma na to me bi wasoro all those kind of things but omo the letter no call you no and am say GR for the castles for no so nim say the president be share letter bi say either say chief of staff and I say nana be there too vice president be say and the secretary to the vice president. And yes, civil servant, no vice president, be you soon. Jomosu, yes, or more yet. Tim Sachen, no more say, I dare no, a yikakra. Anna, almost a tray, crata, a call withdraw. Silent now, moody train. But not the first intent to know why you want the letter no call. But I children who say, Mrs. Sayat, Jan, I say, Bibino, or more tray crata, the call withdraw. And I'm more the corridor because first letter on Montreal, 27th April. Almost vice president office here sa mono for Ramadan 27 people na ka 5 days na ka 5 days na Ramadan cry there and I chomo track at the corridor and special prosecutor Maya Sonte ya na no ya no ya sanction obi ase onye
so ya catch him say
yes and the vice president say on sanction obi ase onye sa de no but say nipa na civil servant ntino oni to me so okase bia ko trafi anase bi ntia the heads of civil service for no chief director money ade na mum esa so omode vice president dia bam na egu no ho fi no na vice president catch a special prosecutor say on continue on prosecute case no e wo court but you tell me because why you sue me din akoye ade a men ka say kokoye adwuma wo ye ne Ghana mra no me ni kwan say me ka say fi office akotena fi because nyam na me do buy ye ba beto because me so say no Ministry of Health and buy information here Mahama time 2014 and buy Jubilee House the another vice president betima ya ne say obema special prosecutor kwan say koso na famra kwan so na ye den hwehwe nsem na de da no fakoto so it for now we are just waiting for what pans out in court and the civil service mo ye hwehwe mu na bia kwadu no ebo opanyini na fine but me kind special prosecutor de na me hu say na attention ni emo no side because charge na the ball so say na nkasa nye emo no ne sa letter no it appears say be omo withdraw sa letter into a okay but charge the ball no ne say okay so won declare the assets bi because a special prosecutor nya adwen bi say o person hwehwe omo nkrata se no account mu hu say e ya de omo taaye a omo de anya bi asika bi na japade bi na because show account na sika bi omo na ene wakatua mfa obetima akwesho but according to special prosecutor no emi say sa nkrata asem no ama na so declare was na one declare so a yes wa from ran some me note me declare me assets me afi bia me declare me assets etimi auditor and answer auditor general whatever onim sika o accounts say me wajapade bia onim to tell me japade bi na bro so a You bet me for us a cratch. Sad, down we are not sika we win our.
Okay, so Martin, you could try over Dr. Gideon Bwakuna and say, "Baby, rapport," but few messages are about. See you, Rich Diamonds. Good morning. No, my great submission by Dr. Mr. Paul J. Baumia movement. Sir. And then this one says, good morning, no, my grassroots from Tano North. Powerful submission from Dr. Gideon Bwakuna. He has really schooled Yanum this morning. And hashtag Dr. Gideon Bwakuna for Tano North. Ohoni at Tano North.
Meheva. Maybe I'm free.
Maybe I'm free, no?
Tano North.
Oh, I see. Now, Obusa, I'm saying, Ohona, I was here.
That's a question I was asked. Mischief, you actually. Oh, many budget.
Hey, Mr. Paul Josie Ochiao.
Oh, okay.
James Hinks is tell Dr. Bwakuna, vice president is different from being a president. During Mohammed's time, all blames were at his doorstep. Now, Dr. Bwakuna and Baumia are run away from their mistakes and failure. And about for that, this conversation again. Well, yes, I'm going to say, bring you know, wrap up your conversation. Also, Boatin or Techiman, also friend Uncle. Yes, also Boatin say great submissions by my nephew, Dr. Gideon Bwakuna, and also our vice president. Also, Boatin mentioned what Techiman.
He's a good man.
Jeffrey so say Enzima delegates for Baumia wish Dr. Mahmoud Baumia a happy new year and Val's Day. And the squad teams to say morning senior, my greetings to that young guy in front of MC for Tanados.
The champion man. The champion man.
I don't know who friend.
Guy, Rolf.
Oh, yeah, guy. I mentioned severally, and I think so. Honorable Enin say, Honorable Enin, former
Madam for.
My boss is Doctor, I think good morning, Omahine. Did I hear Dr. Bwakuna claiming that the 1D, 1F is VIP's idea? Hell no, that isn't true.
I haven't said that.
It's Alan Kojo Chemantin's initiative. Your kind say all these ideas put together, Bibia that the leading common Kasafa has been Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. So it's a collective responsibility. Say Papa Ba, the party, not an individual. All of us should celebrate. Say lapses bar, a party no and assessing to Namana bar. But Ubi Kotrina will say. Maybe I had them in count, and then you selectivity. That's what okay, Bawanka say, or the Dr. Baumia did 1D, 1F. But hey, all I'm going to no one with you. So no war. Alan Chairman take come with you. You are referring to
1F, no MPP manifesto. It was part of the MPP manifesto. So
Yes. So Boma Adam Smith, anyway. Hey, now Adam, I mean, Oko a town of
town of either.
Oko as a MP hopeful.
Oh, send a town when you maybe a time drew her.
Boma Adam Smith. Okay. I see.
Tam drew her.
Prosper Washama, I'll say Dr. Baumia all the way. Dr. Gideon Bwakuna, who is super. Citizen Francis. Dr. Baumia is simply incorruptible. Someone using his name for deals. I see. Come on, I admire your outfit. Dr. Gideon Bwakuna is exceptionally exceptional. Aside his innate desire to grow in young ones for a better tomorrow, effective communication is one of the style, and I strongly believe the MPP needs more of its kind to face NDC in 2024. Tano North, Abrantepa Gideon, Jew 2. Hey, Hamza Suleiman, Deputy Nasara, organized Tano North. But otherwise, expressing interest or what?
May express interest or but I think, I said the voice of the people is the voice of God. And say, be almost the Omo who no more can was.
Jeff Nyame Basu keep it up. Or say, in fact, Dr. Boako is a great communicator. God bless him. Mankind will embellish. So say Dr. Gideon Boako is the next. Next vice president.
Hey,
so Baumia must win from Jesse Boako, PhD, and the long thesis natural. Brilliant to me, yeah, brilliant. Doc, good to talk to you, but more reminders quickly. Be what I say. Eastern Regional MPP chairman. I understand that the Papa had that form. Chairman, the chairman.
Jeff. Saturday.
Yeah, Jeff Kunadu, Saturday.
Kwawu Obomi.
Kwawu Obomi.
Yeah.
Chairman Jeff Kunadu, Yako Kesiepa. Yes.
Vice President will be there.
The Vice President will be there.
Yeah.
Okay, to Chairman Jeff, Yako Kesiepa. And after, make I also say, Ensuma last final. Basu Nyame Adma Kwesiada way 19th of February. Our Fantasy Dome. Bekaho. Na Ubun said, me hobby. Me tweme yi say say judge na bon say ni braba nti be kan ho na yema no ye nana no me offers no me hwede obetimi abon no modern yi pa wa kan sie so nko eba Fantasy Dome no me sa pepe no atena se Dr. Gideon Boako, you didn't come to speak for yourself. You spoke on behalf of the Vice President, but me nim de nti obia o bebia no
agenda for Paul
Jeuzu Ekkebi. Good morning. Dr. Boako has spoken a lot about Dr. Baumia, but delegates will decide. And tell Dr. Boako the Vice President is different from being a president. During Mohammed's time, okay, that's what President can wrap up.
Yeah.
The time, but time of mine.
Yeah.
A breath here.
Yeah.
But your next conversation, me sure say more activity.
Yeah.
More full campaigner. Ibi share wa.
So we dem nyama full song. We comedies.
Ibi share wa. It me that's it. Short notice. But what you imagine, brother? I wish you well. I'm proud of you.
That's senior.
That's
also no foot too.
Yes, that's it.
I know sometimes I call. I know I say me. I know from say I had the one can. It is. I appreciate it so much.
Thank you.
Because
so
sometimes
much.
Communication when you have people to give you feedback. You may get things wrong.
Yeah.
A lot of us we learn a lot from comments among my other people. Yeah.
When you're in the chair, you are so much important to us. That's so much. China, share why.